Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Sorry for a few minutes late there. I was doing some last-minute adjustments to my portfolio, and I had to complete the orders before I could start my stream. Anyway, so what have I been doing over the last half an hour, 2 hours? I was up early this morning watching the overnight markets and selling, taking profits all over the show. Very, very important to take profits. Get out the way of yourself. It's very easy to get married to a stock. I used to be like that. I'm not anymore. I used to be like that all the time, but not anymore. Now I take my positions and take profits. You don't want to be just sat in stocks, no matter how much you love it, because at the end of the day, things right now are selling off. Tesla's driving the market down. Cathie Wood has dumped a lot of shares 3 times over, and I've been taking profits from Tesla. And at the end of the day, it's profit, 28%. Let's have a look at Tesla this morning. Been going down, but it's also important to know what you do with the profit. There you go. There's my Tesla position. Let me bring it on the screen for you. You can see it's down to 21% up now, so a 7% drop, and I've only got 5 shares of Tesla left on my Roth, my trading account, and my long-term position is the same, 3.7. I haven't sold my long-term position, which is down. I'd like to buy more, but I haven't got any money in my brokerage account. The money I get is the Roth account, because that's where I trade all the time. That's where I can trade for tax-free. Anyway, so I think Tesla will go lower before it goes up again, but it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I've made 28% profit from it. Question is, though, what have I done with the profit? Well, let's have a look. We already knew. I already knew what I was going to do. It's all already set out. Let me see who was here first. My main goal as investor is to get to the point that I don't have to work. I can travel and fish while the money works for me. That's absolutely right. That's exactly what I am planning on doing. I should be there. I was thinking 2 years, but the markets are a bit yucky right now. So, who knows? We shall see. But I did some calculations over the weekend I want to share with you as well. Sometimes you need to do a reality check of where we're going and sort of think, okay, how far off am I? How long is it going to take to get to my targets? So I'm going to share some of that with you later. It might be quite interesting read. It's disappointing sometimes. Sort of you think, bloody hell, I thought I was further ahead than that. But there you go. That's the reality of it. Sometimes it's worth doing a reality check and see where you are. Anyway, so what did I do? This morning, we got Virgin Galactic, which is holding, not going anywhere. I didn't buy any more, didn't go cheaper. And what did I do? Well, I bought Palantir for a start. As you can see, my Roth IRA position now is down 15%. I've improved it. I bought this morning. When did I buy it? What did I pay for it this morning? I bought it for, hang on, that was Palantir. Did I buy any? I thought I bought some Palantir this morning. I know I bought some Palantir. Hang on, let me refresh the screen. Let me refresh that a minute. I bought some Palantir with my Tesla. Let's have a look. Where did I buy it? Yeah, 3 hours ago. There you go. I thought I did. I was thinking I was going bloody mad there for a minute. Yeah, 3 hours ago. I bought it at 14.08. 14.08. We're now we're under. In fact, so it's gone a bit lower. But I didn't add any more. Just bought 3. Let's go through what I did buy more of, though. Let's go through. And the S&P 500, didn't buy any of that because that's going down. Amazon, I'm just holding. Apple, I'm just holding. NEE, I bought some more NEE. Now, you get a dividend on this one as well. So I bought it on my Roth, I think. Let's scroll down. Yeah, that 42 minutes ago. There you go. 7 shares at 67.70. It's gone a bit lower since then, but that was I was down like 30% on NEE. I'm down 7.62 now, so much better. A big one, Enphase Energy. I bought on my Roth IRA. Look, down just 4.59 now. I just bought more. I bought at I did yesterday, 10 hours ago, because you can do it on the 24-hour stream. I bought it 2 shares at 120, and I bought another 2 shares at 119.55. We got a bit lower again, so there you go. But yeah, bought a bit more there. Coca-Cola. I also bought some more Coca-Cola. This is with all my Tesla profits. I had about $700 worth of Tesla profit. So I had $700, if you like, of free stocks. So that's what I did. 10 hours ago, 10 shares at 57.69. Another 5 shares at 57.69. What are we now? 57. Just slightly lower again, but we're coming up. So there you go. Just about where it is now. So that's what I did. J&J I've held. Kenvue I've held. CVX I'm waiting to get out. I've got 5% to go. And then we can start getting in the money and then just take some profit. Tesla, I'm waiting to buy it back. With the profits I can make from Enphase and Coca-Cola, that's the idea. Let's read some of these comments. Let's have a look. I'm in Orlando, now on vacation. He's on vacation again. That's great, Steve. I live in Orlando. Are you going to do the slingshot, says a man from Earth. Wonderful. Liam Laffey, really enjoyed Sensei's stream yesterday. Let me save that as a favorite, and I'll bring that back into Show Sensei when he comes in. You are someone special for giving people opportunities. It really shows how genuine you are. You care about people doing well, especially your family. That's lovely, Liam. Thank you so much. I was very proud of Sensei. He's a young man, and I was thrilled to bits to be able to, build this platform, and others now can share in it and so on, and he can promote his own interests, his premium service and his website, and I think it's great. I think the content was great. I think everyone loved it. I won't do a poll, but if you've got any comments yesterday about Sensei's show, then leave it in the chat, and then I will share it with Sensei when he comes in. So if you've got any thoughts on yesterday's show, if you've not yet watched it, it's a Sunday show. I think it's going to be a regular thing. If I just go to the past live streams, you'll see past live streams. There you go. It was the last show we did. There you go. It had 229 views. It's done very well. Very well indeed. There he is. Look, there's the man. Look, right there. Absolutely great. And you can check that out. Now we've got another one planned. If you look on upcoming live streams, you will see there is the next show scheduled for Sunday. That's already there. That thumbnail will be updated because that was the original thumbnail. We'll update that now, but I just put it in there so you've got it there for next Sunday. Anyway, so all right. Anyway, so thank you very much indeed. I'm sure Sensei will appreciate your comment there. Anyway, let's go through the comments. Me too, Liam. Man from Earth, enjoyed it as well. Great, thank you. Let me save that comment. Thank you. When all else fails, make sure you have a good pension to fall back on. Well, this is our pension bill. This is what we're building here. Yes, I live in Palm Bay, Florida, 1.5 hours from my home. Hi, good morning, Niels. Definitely, Bill. Morning, peeps. Bought some more Tesla Friday after the close. Hope everyone got to see the new Tesla bot video over the weekend. Just amazing. Yes, I did. But why would you have bought it when the shares have been going down? I'm not sure why. Mark, what was your thought behind that? We've got Kathy Wood, who's been dumping the shares last week. It's driving down. Are you not already? If you're not, I mean, I don't know why you'd be buying the stock right now. I guess if you're not in, if you're not in, you'd be buying, I guess. I mean, I just want to share this with you though. It's very important, right? Our fear index. We are much in fear right now. So this is a time to be buying. However, if you've got profits to lock in, then you need to be locking in those profits. But you're right, you need to be buying on the way down as well, because there is fear in the market. I just think Tesla's going to go lower before it goes higher. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to be able to buy it where I originally bought it. I've got 21% left to go. I don't see it going that low. But at the end of the day, even if I buy it back now, I'm better off because I sold it at 28%. I'm now down at 21%. So even if I buy it back now, I've baked in, if you like, 7% discount. So I've taken the profit, that deal's done, and I'm buying it back 7% less than I sold it. You can't always, rarely can you buy it back at the price you bought it. Imagine trying to sell Tesla. And then wanting to buy it back at the price you bought it for 5 years ago. Well, that would be impossible, right? But if you can take a 28% profit and then buy it back at 20%, you've banked 8%, really, haven't you? So that's what I'm looking to do once I've made the profit from Enphase, Coca-Cola, and others, NEE, bit of Palantir, then I buy it back into Tesla. That's the idea. Because I know it's going to go a lot higher from here, so I still want to buy it. Sensei did amazing yesterday. Really enjoyed it. I couldn't tell it was his first time. It was his first time. We've had some practices together prior to that, obviously setting it all up. He's got the same software as me and, all of that. But anyway, Robinhood stock, says John Brown. Robinhood stock, what's the question? Robinhood stock. I don't know what the question is. What about it? It has gone down a lot. I'm not trimming this now. I will be buying more if it goes lower. There really isn't much profit left in it. There is profit. 3% is a profit. But I don't want to sell it now. That time has come and gone. I'll be looking to add more. Okay. I think that was your question. Sup, says James. I agree with Liam. And I thought Sensei's first show was a fantastic addition to your channel. I'm sure we all appreciate the analysis Sensei shows us and the hard work gone into it. Well done to all. That's lovely. These are some great comments. I can't wait to show Sensei when he comes in. I'm saving all these comments that you're mentioning about Sensei. Bill says, I'm not into stocks anymore, so the pensions keep coming and I keep living without worrying about the money future. That's okay if you've got a pension because you've already built your pension, Bill. You did very well in your life and you have a pension now. Us here, we don't. This is our pension and that's what we've got to build. The richest are who needs the less. Richard, the richest are who needs the least. I think that is. Good Octavio Garcia, good morning everyone. Always adding to Tesla whenever I can. My goal is 1,200. Wow, shares currently have 920 plus delivery numbers in next couple of weeks. Exactly, we want to be buying more in the next couple of weeks. I totally agree. Jose Quintana, I've got a lovely super chat. Hope all as well as everybody. Let's have a great trading week. Martyn Lucas Investor, best stock channel on media.
Hope all is well with everybody. Let's have a great trading week. Martyn Lucas Investor, best stocks channel on media.
Wow, what an amazing compliment. Thank you very, very much for that. That's really, really kind. Thank you very much. What a great comment. Thank you very much indeed. That's wonderful. Thank you ever so much. Best stock channel on social media. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much for that. Here he is, Sensei. Now then, Sensei, really, this is, I've got some comments saved for you. Jose joined in the show on Sunday. So I asked everybody what you thought of the show on Sunday. Did you enjoy it? Did you get something out of it? And Jose just shared this. Best channel on YouTube, on social media. We've also got A few more comments here I want to share with you. Sensei, really enjoyed Sensei's stream yesterday. You are someone special for giving people opportunities. It really shows how genuine you are. You care about people doing well, especially your family. That was from Liam. A nice comment there. Man from Earth agreed. He enjoyed what you did as well. Neil said, Sensei did amazing yesterday. Really enjoyed it. Couldn't tell it was the first time. I agree with Liam and thought Sensei's first show was a fantastic addition to your channel. I'm sure we all appreciate the analysis Sensei shows us, and hard work got into it. Well done to all. There you go. Some lovely comments there. There you go. Sensei Crypto was great. There you go. Thank you all, says Sensei. Hello, here he is. Rich person is someone who doesn't need to look into his bank account weekly. That's very, very true, isn't it? Great job, Sensei. There you go. And if you didn't see it, we now have a permanent record, past live streams. Here's the past live stream, and there he is. Look, have a quick look. Should have a quick look. He's going, oh no, really? Here we go. This is how it looked when he came in. This was his very first moment on the channel.
Good morning, good evening to everyone across the world. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. My name is Sensei and I am doing my show. Welcome to the Sunday show. We'll be talking about crypto, stocks, anything you guys suggest in the comments. It's a great privilege to be on this.
Absolutely great. So if you've not yet checked it out, go and this is the sort of show you can actually watch back. Mine is very much on the moment. People tend to watch my show later in the day, but they don't watch it back tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. Sensei's show, however, is a show that you can watch. You can watch several days or a week later because it's all about the charts. You learn about the charts and so on and so forth.
Hold these lows. We'll keep looking at it for you. But right now we are holding it. So is this a place to DC?
So even if, this chart is already out of date, it's not, because the information contained within it. So if you've not yet watched these videos, he does have his own playlist now. So if you go to, you could go to past live streams if you want to see it that way. Just scroll back and you can see past live streams. There will be a new updated thumbnail, of course, for next Sunday. If you look in upcoming live streams up the top, it's already scheduled. There it is. The Friday show will go to the Sunday show. But if you look at the top in playlists here, you will see the Sensei Sunday. Sensei Sunday has his own playlist now. So each Sunday, he might have a topic. He might want to talk about certain elements of a chart or certain stocks, how they react to the chart and so on. So there can be a whole series of videos here which you can watch back at different times. They are always going to be relevant. My stuff is very current. It is now, and tomorrow it's different. But with Sensei's show, it definitely is going to be something you can watch again and again. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Great work yesterday, Sensei. Another great comment from Nonny. Mike, great show, Sensei. I even watched the crypto part. There we go. Now, there you go. There you go. Even Mike, who smokes and mirrors and good God, crypto and all the rest of it from Mike, we got Mike to watch the show, and he enjoyed it as well. I just want to say that's a great compliment there from Mike. It's mad that Sensei looks exactly like I'd picture him too. Isn't that funny? Isn't it funny how you imagine faces? Very rarely works out like that for me, but Keaton S thought he looked just like he imagined. There you go. Great show, Sensei. Zach loved it from Africa and Uganda. Just watch the replay. There you go. You see what I mean? You can watch it on a replay because the information is very relevant watching it back. So absolutely great. Thanks. Appreciate all the comments. Keaton S, really. There you go. Sensei show is a great addition. Now with Robinhood, I'm adding crypto. There you go. Great way to do it. We use Coinbase for the crypto Sensei Crypto Challenge. However, you can buy on Robinhood. I prefer Robinhood because obviously it's all here to see. Plus, they've got their own wallet now, which is secure. Then I've got my offline wallet with Ledger. So I've got all the security. However, just to keep it all in one place, because not everybody has Robinhood, that's why we do it on Coinbase, just so everyone can be involved in the same challenge. But anyway, I like the part when Sensei said yesterday, how does Martyn read all the comments? And I dropped in a little joke. I had 23,000 people watching my live for Virgin Galactic. I still answered all the questions. He was struggling with 30. I just thought I'd put that in there. I know everyone's sharing love for Sensei, and now I've come and dumped all over it. I know, but there you go. You know, my show is entertaining. According to Keaton S, I'm the Ricky Gervais, all right. Whereas Sensei's all serious. Let's not beat around the bush, all right. I can say what I like. It's my bloody show anyway. He's just a guest on it. I'm like the BBC. I've got like, you know, the corporation, and Sensei is like Songs of Praise on Sunday. I just wanted to show either Songs of Praise or the Antique Roadshow. Basically, whatever comes on the BBC on Sunday, that's what Sensei is. So he's either Songs of Praise, right? That's a Sunday show, isn't it? Or Antiques Roadshow. Or is it Cash in the Attic? Probably Cash in the Attic's probably better. So I tell you what, we'll have a vote. Here we go. Because I'm now the BBC. I'm the corporation, right? That's what I am. Sensei's show. Basically on a Sunday. So Sensei's show. Is he? Think of it on the BBC, the Sunday show. Is he Songs of Praise? All right, Songs of Praise, a bit of gospel, bit of emotion there, or is he Antiques Roadshow? I don't know if he's Antiques Roadshow because he's a bit too young for that. I don't know. Antiques Roadshow, maybe a few pots and pans kicking around. He might have a few pots and pans in his studio. I don't know. I've not seen it. Or is he Cash in the Attic? I think it might be Cash in the Attic. So anyway, let's see which category you put him in. Anyway, you need to take a pic of Ali down. You need to take the old pic of Ali down. What pic of Ali? There was no pic. There is no pic of Ali. You need to take the old pic of Ali down. Where's that? We haven't got any pics of Ali, have we? That was the first time you've seen him. Anyway, I was glued to the set. I was glued. Look at this. I was glued to the Sensei Crypto episode. Part 1, that was. Part 1. I was glued to it, he says. I may open a position in XRP thanks to Sensei. Bloody hell, Sensei. You should get commission. XRP and Robinhood apparently should be sending you commission today. 2 people here who didn't want nothing to do with it are going, I'm going to buy XRP now. Even Mike is actually going on Robinhood and buying crypto. I can't believe it. That's changed the world to me. That's changed the world. That's changed the world right there. No, you're not Ricky Gervais. You're David Brent. Yeah, all right, smart ass. I know where you were going. If you're the BBC, then who am I? I tell you who you are. If I'm the BBC, you're points of view. You know, points of view when people write in to Barry Took. You remember him? Remember Barry Took? People would write in and they'd say, I was watching the BBC on Sunday and Martyn Lucas was doing a show. Absolutely awful. It's not worth the license fee. I was watching a show on Monday. Martyn Lucas was on the show. Absolutely terrible. And I'm thinking of cancelling my license fee. Didn't appreciate the comedy. The comedy was rubbish. Get rid of Martyn Lucas. That's you. Your points of view with Barry Took. Phone in. Anyway, I don't know either of those. I don't know either of those names. It's a TV show. It's Sunday on the BBC. Songs of Praise, Antiques Roadshow, or Cash in the Attic. That's Sensei's image now. He's thinking, great. You had to attach an image to my show. Now it's ruined. Yeah, I did. I absolutely did. And now you can live with it. You can live with it. From now on, every Sunday, it's going to be welcome to the Cash in the Attic. Right now, Cash in the Attic is winning. So when Sensei goes live, this is what's going to happen next Sunday. Let me show you. This is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen, right? I'm going to tell you now what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen on Sunday.
Yeah, if you know
whether he likes it or not.
And I'm very excited for this.
This is what's going to happen.
Good morning, good evening to everyone across the world. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. My name
and welcome
is
to
Sensei,
the Cash Attic.
And I am...
Welcome. He's in an attic, right? It's probably an attic, if I'm honest. Mind you, there's a window. It's one of those bay windows, but it's straight up rather than slanted, right? It's probably in a flat. It's probably an attic in a flat, right? So what I want everyone to do on Sunday, welcome to Cash in the Attic. Right? So when he starts all being serious like this.
Doing my show. Welcome to the Sunday show. We'll be
in Cash in the Attic. Basically, in Cash in the Attic. All right? That's what I expect to see next Sunday. Next Sunday, Cash in the Attic. I'm being serious. I'm being totally serious. It's very important. We can't have this. We can't have this seriousness. Hell no. I bought it on Coinbase a while back, and I'm way down. So right. So you watched it, but I haven't bought any yet. Okay, well, he's not fully committed then, is he? He's not fully committed, really, is he? Yeah, I wish XRP was on Robinhood. Yes, so do I. Quite annoying. I can't even buy USD on Robinhood because for some reason to do with I live in Texas. It says as you live in Texas. I'm thinking, what's Texas got to do with it? Apparently, if you live in Texas, you can't buy USDC either. Anyway, it's a long story. Don't know why. It's got something to do with cowboys and Indians. I have no idea. I don't know. Maybe it's something to do with the El Paso or the... I don't know. I'm just making this stuff up, right? Right, Virgin Galactic's holding. Okay, that's a good sign. Palantir's been going down. I bought more. Gold is going back up. The S&P, we've got 28 minutes. Attic of a penthouse. There you go. Welcome to the attic of a penthouse. Cash in the penthouse. Right, okay. Right, so far, Cash in the Attic is winning. That looks like Sensei's got now his own image. This is how things start. This is how things start. When you look back in 20 years and you go, how did these things start? This is how they start, all right? Who started that rumour? Martyn Lucas started that rumour. When I'm not here in 50 years' time, you'll still be going, do you remember, Sensei? Now you're a big YouTube star. Do you remember when Martyn Lucas was alive, right? He started your Sunday night show calling it Cash in the Attic. And now look at you with 10 million followers and all the rest of it. Anyway. There you go. All right. So there it is. Right. Apple. Next year energy. It went down and I bought the dip this morning. So I bought it here. So I'm glad I did. Enphase. I bought it around about. You can see how close to zero I am now. These were down like massive. 50. Right, Bill. Bill's having a go. And he's right to have a go. He's right to have a go. So first of all, let's go over here. Bill, you're right. It's not good enough. Sensei wouldn't have had this. By now, Sensei would have done something about it. He'd have probably had the funky music. All right? He'd have had the funky music. All right? BBC copyright. Don't mess with the Beeb. All right? So there we go. the funky music, he's right, you know. So here we go. There are 55 people watching, right? We need to get 50% of the people tap the like button. 99.5% go up like. But I don't care whether you up it or down it. I prefer if you like it. The reason for this is if you tap the like button, every day you come in, you'll be shown my content next time. You will see my content, all right? So if you like what I'm doing right now, please tap the like. You'll be shown my breaking news, live event, Sensei. Maybe you don't want that. I'm just saying, all right? I'm just saying most of it you probably want. Tap the like button. If you don't like my content and you'd rather see something else, tap the down like button and YouTube won't show you my content anymore. That's what the down like does. Tap the down like and you won't be shown my content, any breaking news, and you can find other things, which will be great. You'll get what you want. We get a better audience. Everybody wins, right? So what have we got? There we go. We got 50%. We try and get 75%. A lot of people watch without logging in and all that stuff. So try and log in and take part and get involved. That'll do. I'm happy with that. 27. Very, very nice indeed. Thanks for the funky music. And well done indeed. That's great. All right. We got 25 minutes. We bought more Enphase, Coca-Cola. Oh, by the way, so this morning, I went above and beyond for you guys. I went above and beyond. I posted, as I was making my trades this morning, I wanted to share with you what I was doing. Above and beyond. While I'm cleaning my teeth, while I'm having a shave, while I'm putting on my tie, I'm buying stocks, thinking of you, telling you what I'm doing. That's the sort of bloke I am, right? Just too nice. I know, right? So what I'm going to do is now you've got to pay for it. You got to pay for the niceness, right? Here's my X account, right? Some of you follow me. I think most of you do. Some of you don't. That's all right. You don't have to. But if you do, you'll find out my trades before I make them. I actually did this before I made them, right? That's my promise to you. I always do it, right? So here's Palantir. I'd like your thoughts on that one. Are you in Palantir? Leave me a comment and repost it. Let the world know that we're buying Palantir, okay? So I was on the 24-hour trading. I just bought more Palantir with profits from Tesla sale. So repost it, leave a like, and let me know, are you in Palantir? Do you like Palantir? I want to see how many people. Then you can scroll down. There's Plug. I bought more Plug, by the way. I was down like 20%. I'm down about 5% now, I think. I'll show you Plug in a minute. Again, same thing. Like it if you like the post. Repost it if you want to promote Plug, that I'm buying more Plug. Leave a comment. Are you in it? Do you like it? Now, I also, Enphase Energy and Coca-Cola. We want defensives now because we're going to go sideways for the rest of the year. We want defensive with dividends. We want to Enphase because it's massively oversold, hugely oversold. We've got the buy-ins about to occur, the buybacks. So again, same thing. Repost if you want to share the information of this, and leave a comment. Tesla. Now I sold Tesla. Leave a like, repost, and leave a comment. Do you agree with Tesla? Are you in? Should I have sold my Tesla? What do you think? I think you should always take profits, 28%. And when the big whales start dumping, you can't change the direction of the market. All you can do is make profits with it, not react, not sort of in fear. Fear is when you're down and you're going lower. No, I buy when I'm down. But if I'm up and the market is dumping, I want to sell before that continues, right? I want to make profits, especially if I've got something to buy. If there was nothing else to buy, I wouldn't have sold my Tesla. I'd have just held it. When it got lower, added some more. However, I wanted to buy Enphase, Coca-Cola, NEE, and Palantir, Plug. So that's what I did. Rocket Lab, Virgin Galactic. So leave me your thoughts on that one. I think that's everything. There's like 4 or 5 posts there. All right, and let me go and check if anyone did it, and I'll reply back to everyone and help everyone to grow on here as well. So let's have a look. Mike just hang on a minute. Mike just liked those posts. Thank you, and reposted, we should call it. It's not retweeted anymore. Thank you, guys. Brilliant. All right, I'll come back and check later All right. Excellent. Okay, let's have a look. Jay-Z is one of the most famous rappers in the world and also a successful businessman. Beyonce's husband in 2006 joined the famous brand Armand de Brinac. Okay, Bill, that's a nice random fact. Jay-Z goes bankrupt due to the pandemic, sells half of the company's shares. Okay, now there's a point to it. I'm thinking, did I miss the point there? All right, nice one, Bill. Have you or Sensei heard any rumors about Binance going bankrupt? I'm going to leave that to Sensei to answer. I think I heard something, but I'm not sure. I'm the wrong person to answer. I'll let... Oh, hang on a minute. My coffee's arrived. Little bing on the table. You're happy this morning, aren't you, babe? My wife's smiling at me this morning for some reason. Thank you, babe. Love your job. All right. Let me go over here a minute. Let me press this. Let me press this. And this, there you go, I pressed it, got to press it. Got a couple of things to press. There you go, I pressed it. It's all pressed? Yeah, it's all pressed. All right. Sorry, I didn't do the back of the studio camera. Should have done that camera, you'd have seen what I was up to. I was pressing stuff. Pressing buttons. All right, okay, let's have a quick look at the comments I've missed. I had more likes than viewers. Well, no, don't say that, Sensei. That sounds like we got a dodgy channel. You can't have more likes than viewers, can you? You can't have more likes than viewers. That's impossible. What you had was, see, he's trying to spin it off as a positive. He's trying to spin it to make me go, ooh, you had more like... No, what he actually means is, right, he's trying to make that sound good. He's trying to say, I had more likes than viewers. So like some magic happened. No magic happened because you can't have more likes than viewers. What actually happened is people came in, they liked the stream because they thought it was my show, and then they left. That's how you need to package that, Sensei. See, there's always a different perspective in life. You went for the perspective, I had more likes than viewers. Thanks, guys, I'm amazing. More people liked me than were actually there. Like, above and, like, amazing. No, they came in, they liked because it was my channel, and then they left. That's what actually happened. All right? That's what actually happened, Sensei. Thanks, Leah. See what comments I get to that. Right, okay. We got some more comments on X. Let me just run through the stocks a minute and let's see where we are. We got a few issues this morning, but we're good. We're good. All right, thanks, Leah, says Mike. All right, let's have a quick look. We've got the overall portfolios going down. I haven't traded on my main account. I'm just holding. I just add when it's down, right? The Roth IRA is also down. Now, the Roth IRA is predominantly tech. It has it has a lot of Tesla. If Tesla is down, if I hadn't have sold at 28%, we're now down to 21, I would be down a lot more on my Roth IRA. I'm only down by 0.68% because I sold my Tesla. That's the point. So I protected my account, but also go easy on him, Martin. I know, you know, we'll be nice. We'll be nice. You're absolutely right. Be nice. Don't be so hard. Right, 50,911. Right, so there you go. So that's what would have happened. That would have been a lot worse if I'd stayed in on Tesla. So it's a good job I actually did, right? Anyway. Man from Earth says, go easy on him. Don't give him a hard time. Anyway, let's go through our positions quickly and then we'll look at the comments on X. So the overall portfolio's down with 15 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic barcoding. Not good. We don't like to see barcoding. Algos in and out, trying to get their stock out. That's what that is. Don't like that. That's a sign you're probably going to go lower. Anyway. Palantir, bought more. Gold. The S&P going down. Start buying it back now. I'm starting to add more on the S&P. Amazon up today. So this is. I'm just holding my Amazon. You notice I hardly sell any Amazon. Apple, same thing. I just don't sell it. Okay, I just hold it all the time. Look at the glass, half full, not half empty. Look at the glass, half full, not empty. That doesn't have any relevance to this argument. None whatsoever. You saying I had more likes than people? No. That's what's that? What is that? What is that? That's manipulation of the figures. That's politics. That is. You're like a politician trying to make it sound good. Whereas I pointed out what really happened. They came in, they liked it because it's what everyone does, and then they left. So you had more likes than viewers. I wouldn't have promoted that. You tried to spit like a spin doctor. That's it. You're like a spin doctor. One of those the whips. What do they call them? The whips. The spin doctors in the government. You see. But I came in and I came in and debunked it. I was like WikiLeaks. I'm WikiLeaks. You're cash in the attic, right? I'm WikiLeaks. You're cash in the attic. I come in and reveal it. So I revealed it. I'm the revealer. You know the equalizer? I'm the revealer. Play nice, Martin. Remember, he is in charge of your crypto. That is true. That is true. However, you're right. I probably should be nicer than this because right. We got a great suggestion from Martyn Lucas. Martyn Lucas should buy Binky Bonk coin today, and I highly recommend it. And I would follow him like a sheep, like a bloody lemming. I would follow him. Martin and Sensei at it again. Yep. Yes, we are. Enphase going lower. When's Enphase going to drop? It's going to hit a bottom soon. Coca-Cola. It's all going down. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised, and this is why I bought, if we don't get a bit of a bounce on the belt from Coca-Cola and Enphase. Massively oversold now. Coca-Cola is 20% undervalued. I don't think this is going to continue like this, which is why I've been buying more. I'm only down 3%. I can't just keep buying. I can't have my entire portfolio Coca-Cola. Well, technically you can actually. It's a sort of stock you can have your entire portfolio Coca-Cola. Keep buying. I mean, technically, if I sold everything and kept buying Coke as it went down and down and down, not only do I get a very good dividend, guaranteed dividend that only goes up, you're going to have a strong portfolio because if you keep buying on the way down, when it starts going up, you can trim it off all the time and start buying everything else. Not a bad idea. I'm not going to do it though, but it would be a strange show to watch, wouldn't it? It'd be the Coca-Cola show. CVX, 5% to go to make some money. Pepe, that was it. That was the one. Pepe. I was thinking Binky Bonk. That was what I was thinking about. Let's have a look. Here we go. Martin, buy signal. Put 1,000 in Binky Bonk coin. Talking about Binky Bonk coin. I said to Sensei the other day, I need my own crypto. There was a big YouTuber who came on and said, right, I'm going to have my own crypto. He had millions of followers on YouTube. He got everyone to buy it. He then said, I'm not going to release any more. I'm not going to mint any more. He then flooded the market. He made loads of money, dumped it on everyone, and he's still on YouTube and he still has subscribers. So I thought, right, that's what I'm going to do then. Obviously, I can take advantage of all my subscribers, take all their money, and they'll still stay with me, apparently. Well, apparently people did. I can't believe it. However, I won't do that. What I want to do is have my own crypto coin or token, whatever's best, I don't know yet, and release so many. So let's say we do 1 million Lucas, right? There's 1 million Luca coins, okay? Only 1 million. Put them out. Everyone in the channel buys them. Absolutely brilliant. I will never mint any more, and it will be like a limited number. And I will make publicly live on the show, this is my promise to the world, I will never mint any more or never sell mine or whatever. Something like that. An absolute hard, fast. Because you imagine if Bitcoin or any crypto had a gilt promise like that. Imagine if the creator of any of these cryptos would come online and say, there's never going to be any more minted because I'm the only one who can mint it, right? I promise to never mint anymore. I will never sell any of mine ever. And you make that promise, that would be the best crypto asset to buy, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be the best crypto asset ever to buy? Because there would be a short supply, limited supply, never go anymore, so it wouldn't get dilution by producing more. The creator who bought it at the minimum, who started it, never sells it ever and makes that promise. That would be the best crypto coin in the world. Well, that belongs to the best, most honest channel in the world, here on this channel. So I want to do it. I don't know how to do it yet. I'm trying to find out, but I think that as pledging to be the most honest, most trusted channel online, if we had the most honest and trusted crypto coin ever, where I announce to the world I will never introduce anymore, never sell it, you buy it and knowing it's never going to go down, right? Wouldn't that be amazing? Wouldn't that be fantastic? I think that'd be brilliant. I think we should do it. I'm really excited. Let's do it. Let's have our own crypto coin with a guarantee that I'll never release any more. The government don't do that. They print more money all the time. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it when I get round to it, when I work out how to do it. Sell all your space and put it in Pepe. That was it. Do you think any potential government shutdowns put in... Yes, it comes. This is the game it plays over and over again, right? 9 minutes to go. Investor Coin or Coin Invest should be the name. Investor Coin or Coin Invest should be the name. Jose, would you buy it? Right, now we've got the result of Cash in the Attic. So every Sunday when you go into Sensei's show, I want to hear welcome to Cash in the Attic. I want to hear welcome to Cash in the Attic. Right, that's the premise of Bitcoin. It's not just someone making a promise. They can't, if they wanted to, it's in the code. But a Luca coin, yeah, but the thing is, Sensei, Luca coin is better than Bitcoin because you all know the creator is me and whoever builds it, right? I don't know how to do it, right? You know it's me. There's not going to suddenly be Satoshi Nakamoto revealed who dumps all his stuff. Also, the whales that own the majority could dump it all tomorrow. I won't. So my coin would be better. My coin would be better than Bitcoin because you know who the creator is. The creator's promised there'll never be any more. They can't, just like Bitcoin, the same. Also, he will never sell it. He's made an announcement online and said, I will never sell it. If I sell it, then you can unsubscribe from my channel or whatever. I'm already selling Martyn Lucas's NFTs for thousands and thousands of dollars. I love it. So anyway, let's do a poll. We got 7 minutes to go. On that basis of knowing who created it, having a promise to never be sold, having a promise that there'll never be any more, would you buy a Luca coin? There you go. Would you? Let's have a look. Would you buy a Lucas coin? Let's see who'd do it. Knowing that's the promise, publicly written down, stamped on my head, that's the promise. What do you reckon? Would you all buy one? Because I guess it's going to cost me money to do it. So I want to know everybody wants to buy it, right? Anyway, let's have a look. Binky Bonk is on the way. Martyn Locoin. We'd have to have a vote. We'd have a vote on the name of it. I'm already selling Martyn Lucas NFTs. A screenshot of you buying Mullen. I love it. 7 minutes to go. Right, we've got a few comments here I didn't answer on. See, Sensei, this is how professionals answer the comments, right? Zach has just reposted it. Palantir. What a stock, says yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. This is to Zach. I want to help Zach grow on Twitter as well, formerly known as X. Jason Fallon, I know I did that on purpose, by the way. Jason Fallon likes it from Australia. Palantir, there you go. Jason Fallon reposted. Thanks very much indeed. If you don't leave a comment, I can't comment back and promote your channel. So I'm just saying, if that's what you want to do, you got to do that, right? I would, if you can deliver on all your promises, just like I know you would, based on how honest you're showing. Yeah. I mean, there wouldn't be, I don't think there could be a better coin than that. If everyone, there's not a coin like that. There's not a coin that exists where you have the owner, you know who the owner is because you don't know who Satoshi Nakamoto is, so you don't know if he's ever going to reveal it and then sell it all. You've got no promise from anyone saying that they won't dump it all. Michael Saylor could dump all his Bitcoin tomorrow and it would drive the price down. Satoshi Nakamoto could come on and dump all his coin. You know that. But the only thing you do have with Bitcoin, of course, is you have the 21 million. So I'd be the same. I think I'd have 21 million. No, I wouldn't. I'd have 20 million. I tell you what, I'd have 20,999,000. One less than Bitcoin, just to be all swanky, right? That's what I'd do. Anyway. There you go. So I would, if you can deliver on all your promises, just like I know you would based on how honest your show is. Yeah. It's easy to be honest. It's just be honest. It's easy. It's more fun anyway. It's more fun, isn't it? Anyway, Sensei, I tried to get him off your back, bro. You tried. Didn't work, did it? Didn't work. I think you can't get or create one because you are a celebrity or influencer, but you can create a foundation. You can, Nonny. You can do it because I know big YouTubers who have done it. And they ripped everybody off. Was it Raoul Paul? I forget his name. I think he was called Raoul Paul, a big YouTuber. And he promoted it. And then Graham Stepan was in on it. There was loads of them. There was all these people in on it. And then they all dumped it. And I just can't believe that. Anyway, I would publicly say I'm never going to do that. But you can create a foundation, then your foundation can create one. I'm not 100% sure on that. Nonny, you know more about it than I do, mate. I ain't got a clue how to do it. But go for it. I think your supporters, would support you on it. I would rather buy Martyn Lucas ETF. I'll have that as well. Right? That's that. I'll have an ETF for the Luca coin, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin wants a spot ETF. There'll be a spot ETF for Luca. Yeah. See, they can't get it for Bitcoin, but I'll have one. Don't worry about that. Yes, anyone can. There you go. We're on it. We're building it. We're building it. I don't care what you say. Best crypto coin in the world. We got Pablo. Pablo has just liked the post. Thank you very much indeed. Liked all the likes. There you go. Thank you ever so much. If you leave comments, I can reply to you, and that way promote your X account. All right. Now then, we're coming up to the bell. And I have just done a terrible thing. I have just done a terrible, terrible, terrible thing. And I'm really embarrassed, and I've completely messed up. I apologize sincerely. I have to apologize to a man from Earth. A man from Earth was sponsoring the bell this morning, and it's completely and utterly been overlooked. I can only apologize. I will do it tomorrow, and I'll make it better than today. I will put more into it and promote you twice as much. I apologize. I hope you can forgive me. I can't believe I forgot that, but I've completely and utterly forgot it. It wasn't on my notes. It was only in my a man from Earth. Is a man from Earth, isn't it? Anyway, I've got it. It might not be you, but anyway, whoever it is, I've got it written down. Can't believe I've forgotten. I think it's a man from Earth. I think it is. Is it you? Anyway, I apologize. I can't fix it now, but I will do it tomorrow. I can't believe that. Anyway, we're about to ring the bell. The Sensei bell. Huge apologies. I'm not buying Binky Bonk anymore. It was you, wasn't it? A man from Earth? Sorry, I haven't got that information right to hand. Here we go. 20 seconds to go. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're looking at Tesla. The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell if I remember. If I don't remember, you kind of just pay $10 for nothing. But yeah, apparently that's what happens. Right, Tesla's going up. Let's have a look. Let's have the stock race. Who's going to win the stock race this morning? Is it Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett or the S&P 500? Who is going to win the race this morning? There we go. We can see the S&P going up. Warren Buffett is going up. Martyn Lucas is going down. Well, Martyn Lucas is going down. Let's see what is moving today. Virgin Galactic, there is the reason why we're going down. 169. It is nearly at my target of 150. I warned everybody. I didn't want to see it. Said no, hope not. But God, it can go to 150. And it looks like it's just about to do it. Right, Palantir is down at the moment. Gold is going down. The S&P is down, but trying to push up. Amazon is up, just trading back a little bit. Apple is up at the moment, is just going up. FFIE is down 5.9%. I got out of it. Huge warning for Rumble. Huge warning. Russell Brand. This is exactly what I'm saying. I've got a review on this in a few moments' time. Rumblers, you're not going to like it. Crag in the house, you're not going to like what I have to say with Rumble. But nevertheless, I'm going to put it to you later in the show. You're not going to like it, though. NEE is going down. New time lows. Enphase is trying to come back up again. Coca-Cola still going down. 57.40. It's going to hit a bottom in a minute. That's way oversold now. J&J going down. Kenvue going down. CVX. Oil, 5.72. Just 5% to go. And we start making money. Tesla, that's the way I got out of the way. Tesla's going back down again. We got out of the way of Tesla. We don't want to be in it right now. Rivian's going down. McDonald's, of course, if Tesla goes down, it drives the market down. The only thing that's going up right now, let me just change this a minute. Let me change that to there, bring that back in again. There we go. The only thing that's going down, doing better, is Berkshire Hathaway. If we go back to my main screen, we can see Berkshire is going up, the S&P is going down, and I'm going down. Obviously, I have more Tesla in balance than the S&P does, hence why I'm going down more. But I've got out of the way of most of it. Otherwise, my portfolio would be down like about 5% right now. So I'm glad I sold my Tesla. It was the right thing to do. Anyway, don't fight the trend. Tesco, Tilray Brands, going right back down now. That's exactly where I thought it would be, and we can start buying it again soon. Robinhood is going down as well. IonQ going down. Rocket Labs. Who's going to win the stock race? We're halfway through now. If we go back to the beginning, Martyn Lucas is down. Warren Buffett is winning the race with the stable portfolio of assets. Rocket Lab is going down. We want to buy more. 443. Plug. I bought Plug this morning and it's going up. I'm only 5% out of the money. We'll take some profit if we make 5% from that. That would be good right now. Procter & Gamble. Defenses are going down. This is interesting. Rumble could collapse today, and I will tell you why. Rumble could go below $1 today. $1. Yeah, you heard me say it right. Funware. FFIE. Faraday. I'm out of it. On my Roth, I sold it, got out of the way. I'm no longer in it at all. It's down 33% on my main account. It will bounce back up again, but I don't want any part of it. Rio Tinto gone down 2.6%. Bitcoin today is up 0.21. What a surprise. Polygon is also at XRP. And who is the winner of the race today? It's most certainly Warren Buffett is the winner today. It's not me. I am in third place. There's our stock race this morning. Warren Buffett took the prize this morning. Right, what are we going to do about this? What can we do? Now then, unfortunately, we're going to have to put some emergency videos out here. What about M&L? M&L, I like it, Zach8. Yes, anyone can. The most honest coin in the world. I mean, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be the most honest coin in the world? So we've got, would you buy the Lucas coin? 71% of you said no. That's fair enough. I don't care. I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to end the poll now. That's my worst poll ever. Only 28% of you would buy it. Remember, it'll be the only coin in the world that has all of these things. 1, you know who invented it. 2, publicly said I will never sell it. 3, a limited number. That makes it better than any other crypto asset out there. Has to be. Because Bitcoin, right, you don't know who Satoshi Nakamoto is. He could come on and flood the market. Michael Saylor has not promised not to sell it. He could sell it all tomorrow. But the only thing it has going for it is the 21 million. So I would have 21 million minus 1 just to be funny, and I would make a public video saying I will never sell it, and also I would also have a fixed amount and never release any more, which would make it the best coin ever. Anyway, okay, says Nonny, just like the S&P. Great show, Sensei. Could only watch the first 15 minutes. Well done. We had some great responses to Sensei's show. Remember, it lives on past live streams, and it's a sort of show that you can watch later in the week because it's not specific to the time. Like my shows are all about the time. You can only watch it now. Some people watch it later on in the day, but you're not going to watch it next week. Sensei's show, you can watch next week because he's talking about the specifics of the charts, the signals, and so on and so forth. So you're always learning, even if the chart now is out of date, it's still relevant information. So yes, go back and watch that. Brilliant. Right. I'm not buying Binky Bonk anymore, says a man from Earth. Fire up the carpet for a ride, Jojo. No problem, Martin. Thank you for your understanding. Yes, it's me. I thought so. Let's go, Mike. Good luck, everyone. Space down day is as guaranteed as death and taxes. Oh, Chris Pickering. Ding, 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 ding. Joby Aviation. Go, go, go. All the market is down. Looked at the Arbor other night, but debt is high. Not for me, to be honest. No, nor me. ACN ticker. ACN, thank you, Alex. I have to focus on the members right now. Wow. Rumble, really, really underperforming. Not really, and I'll explain why. I got your back, Martin. I voted yes. With you, MSK. Absolutely. Am I allowed to short the coin? You can do what the bloody hell you want. It'll be out there, and anyone can do what they bloody want, can't they? I mean, it ain't nothing to do with me. Of course you can short it. Of course you can short it. That'd be great. If you short it, I'll just buy more of it. And if I promise never to sell it, it ain't never going to go nowhere, is it? So it never going to go to zero. Never. Never get delisted. Never get taken down. Impossible. 100% the best coin ever. The most honest coin in the world. Best coin ever. Right. Okay. Okay. Be better than the dollar. Better than anything. Right. I'm going to do it. Sod it. I'm going to do it. Okay. Let's have a look. Now then. Emergency videos. We're going to make some videos on a few subjects I need to cover. Okay, here we go. SPCE. One hour 3. Okay, 1.03. Okay. Here we go. We've got a few things to touch on this morning. Right. Virgin Galactic, the video I hoped I would never make. Looks like I'm making it right now. I said and hoped it wouldn't, but I said Virgin Galactic will go to 150. Looks like that's about to happen. It could even go below $1. We need to have a conversation in this video because this is quite serious now. We're going to talk about my prediction, where I see it going, what I'm going to do, my commitment to my audience, and scary. How much am I down? By about $35,000. But I'm still here. I'm with you. Tap the like button if you want to support the channel and all the live content. I'm making this in a live video. My audience are with me now. So if anybody wants to comment to Virgin Galactic, if you do a super chat or a crypto donation, it will come up on the screen. It will read it out. Unedited as it is, so please be nice, don't swear, and be respectful, and it will come out on the screen and we can share the information with the world. What do you think? Well, I need to be brutally honest, as I always have been. I am down massively. This is my position, hugely down. In fact, it doesn't show how much I'm down because I've bought in and sold and bought in and sold. If I had held at my 35 and 15,000 and kept buying and never sold, I would be down more than 45,000. My portfolio would be obliterated. I'd have nothing left. It would all be Virgin Galactic. There'd be no balanced portfolio. And it's why sometimes you sell for a loss just to protect from further losses. So right now I'm down 2,300, but overall it's way over 35,000, touching 40,000. Now then, getting little bounces, little bits of movement right now, but where do we see this going? Right. The main concern we have now is they haven't diluted yet. We'd know if they had, but there's no SEC filings. They can't dilute now. They cannot dilute now, which means they're running out of money. Now, we are okay for a year and a half. Anything under $2 with the current cash position is undervalued. 150 is really undervalued, and that's where I want to add more. I've been saying it forever. However, I said as it approaches $1, then we're going too low, because let's be absolutely clear. So everyone is 100% clear on this. And this is in response to lots of emails I've had, people replying to my newsletter, because you can reply to my newsletter. I don't know if you know that. People have replied and asked me, they want to have private conversations with me. They're upset about Virgin Galactic. What are we going to do? So I'm answering those questions in this video now. I know the sort of flavor of those emails. People are really worried, really concerned. Is Virgin Galactic going to go bust? Now then, me and Sensei, I've done it from the fundamentals, the relationships, the conversations, and so on. Sensei's looking at the charts. We've looked at the cash burn, all those things. And no one knows whether the stock's going up, down, left, or right. Nobody. All we can do is make our best judgment, and same as you. This is not financial advice. But we have never said that it's going to go bankrupt. We said it could go bankrupt. It absolutely could. We need to be absolutely clear now. The chance of Virgin Galactic going bankrupt now is about 40%. It's getting quite high. It's not over 50%. It's not 60 or 80 or 90%, but it's about 40% chance now that Virgin Galactic could go bust, because it has to dilute to raise the funds, to build the delta, to become more profitable. It has to do that. However, it can't dilute. If it dilutes now, it crushes the shareholders. We are now in Virgin Orbit territory. What would happen then? The stock would go under $1 immediately. Then you've got a period of time before you have to reverse split. Now the stock is reversed. Everyone's losing money. And I've not yet seen, and I may be wrong, but for the 2.5 years that I have been here, I have not seen a stock reverse split and do well from it. It's just a road to zero. Okay, so I'm very concerned now. We are hitting the bottom. However, I've not sold my position. I've been adding to it. I haven't sold my 1,600. I want to get to 4,000. I haven't done that. Also, I have been scalping. I'm out of my scalp position. This is where I just buy in and sell because we're not really getting much bounces now. You're just adding to the pain. This is not a time, in my opinion, really to be scalp trading anymore. This is either you're buying to add to your long-term position or you're walking away. It's very difficult to scalp this now because if you do, you're dumping a certain amount of money which could be locked into your long-term position, and your long-term position has to be looked at as different to your short-term position. So anyway, it is a major concern right now. It is being shorted. We know that. It's painful to watch. There's no noise from Richard Branson. Yes, he could come in and he could buy it at this level and drive it up. BlackRock could increase their position. They're obviously not. They're aware of dilution. It's a bit of a worry right now. Let me bring in some of the comments. Let me read if I have any comments live during the show. So here we go. This is being made during a live video. So if you want to ask questions, you can. I keep buying though. Jason Fallon is still buying from Australia. He's still buying. We've been crushed already, says Martyn 1988. Crushed, sorry, no problem at all. I knew what you said there. Martin, tell us your bullish scenario. How do you see it improving? How do I see it improving? Well, there is only one way. There's only one way stocks go up, and there's only one way they go down. You buy them, they go up. You sell them, they go down. As simple as that. And the trouble is, it's hard to be bullish short term at least. We know the only way to profitability is through Delta. That's it. It doesn't make any money or enough money in its current format. To get there, we've got to raise money. We can't raise money here. What do? Well, basically, this is when the poor and become the rich if they get it right. This is those moments when Tesla hit its bottom, Amazon had its moment. This is that moment when you decide, am I in this for the long term? It's as simple as that. There's no short term here now, I don't think. You're either going to buy it because you know it's going to go up in the future, or you're out. What we're waiting for, and the only thing we can get now, is a whale or an institution, Richard Branson, all of us, I don't know, suddenly go, do you know what? I'm buying it at this level, and we just hold it. No more scalp trading, just adding and holding. And then, of course, you get a short squeeze, because if it starts to go up, the short squeeze will come. Then we might have some sentiment, because if it squeezes and goes to 4 or 5, and then we can dilute to 4, we've all got money in the game, plus the company has money to build the fleet out. Then we're good. Then there's no reason to sell it. Then you're feeling more bullish. Then the institutions can buy in. So what we need to save Virgin Galactic right now is whales, institutions, somebody to go, this is the point, I want to buy it. This will cause a short squeeze. It'll pop up, we'll dilute back to 4, and now we have a viable business. Without that, we're going to 0. It's as simple as that. So I don't know. But we also need to balance this out with what's going on in the market right now. There's a bit of a silver lining to all of this. You can see my overall portfolio. It's down just by 0.6. It's a balanced portfolio. Still doing okay. Despite Virgin Galactic being down so much, I am only down 0.59. My portfolio is balanced and protected. So that's good. However, let's go through a few things related to all of this. Tesla is under pressure right now. I've sold nearly all of my Tesla this morning. at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning on my 24-hour stream. Took profits to buy solar. Didn't buy Virgin Galactic. That's what I did. The overall markets are selling down now. We're getting the reaction after the Fed. People are now realizing what I was saying the entire time. We're in a bull market. We've had a frothy run up to September. Now we're going sideways. The rates aren't going up. They don't need to go up. The markets are being crushed right now. It's having its effect. But they're going to stay where they are. It's scaring the market, which is good, though, because it means we know where we're going to go. I don't think that we're going to have another rate hike. I really don't. I called it on the pause. I was right, and I think it's going to go sideways. So we're seeing the markets react negatively, but I think this is an opportunity to take profits. I took 28% from Tesla. Didn't buy Virgin Galactic yet because Virgin Galactic will go lower. And also, if we've got Virgin Galactic doing this, down 4% again, I can't afford my portfolio to follow Virgin Galactic's trajectory. Otherwise, I'm wiped out. I mean, I'm not in margin, but my money could go to zero. I'm only down by 0.61, in fact, 0.47. In fact, I'm going up now if you look at my portfolio. So Virgin Galactic, we know about how we get to profitability now. We know what my bullish hope is. We know, in my opinion, I believe that that we've got a market going sideways, which is good ultimately for Virgin Galactic. If we can get a buy-in, this is now down to whether you believe it or not. This is your Tesla moment. This is your Amazon moment. All of those great companies which are now making money. This is that moment for you. You either decide whether you're out or you believe in it. But if you do believe in it, you do need to be balanced. You do need to have a balanced portfolio that can protect you. If it does go to zero, you're still here to fight another day. As soon as I can get some profits from the things I bought this morning, I'm going to buy more Virgin Galactic. I'm going to buy it with profit, but I'm going to buy it around the 150 because that's the place where I thought and believe is the bottom. Below there, it's over. Theoretically, potentially. Leave me your thoughts below. I'd love to comment on all your thoughts. I know a lot of people are in pain. I understand it. I am too. But if you're like me and you have a balanced portfolio and understanding, you see this as an opportunity. I'm not afraid. I'm not worried. If it goes to zero, my portfolio is still fine. I lose. By then it'd be like $45,000 gone down the toilet. However, I'm still here. I'm still growing. Overall, we live to fight another day. But I believe we're going to get the bottom at 150. I'm going to add more. And in 5 years from now, I'm going to look back a millionaire and go, there you go. That's what it was all about. Anyway, click above my head. This side, click above my head for more videos that I think you'll find, or my social media X account. We've got our newsletter if you want to be, in with all the know. And over here, more videos in the series. Go and check out Sensei's new show on a Sunday. Information for the charts you can follow all week. You might enjoy that as well. Till next time, leave me your comments below. I'm with you. I know what it feels like. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That's what happened with me and the firm called Sirius. The big boys just screwed the shells and paid nothing. That's worse. You brave Martin. I'd be crying if I was down $30,000. Never agreed with you more. Never agreed with you more. There you go. Good afternoon, everyone. Crag, no pain, no gain. I personally wouldn't be too sure that this bottom, in my opinion, 60 cents away. Right, okay. Okay, now we're coming up. My portfolio is looking good, folks. Look at that. I'm about to overtake the market. About to overtake the market now. Now I've got another video. It's Tesla. Tesla. I've got another video to do. And Rumble, a very urgent message on Rumble as well. Tesla. Right, okay, here we go. Tesla. This is my thoughts on Tesla. Right, okay, let's have a quick look. Tesla, where are we going with Tesla? What a day in the markets today. What did I do with my position? What's going on with Cathie Wood, the new robots? All of that will be answered in this video. My price projection, short-term, long-term. I will share with you my live position, the overall markets, how they're affecting it. Let's go into Tesla right now. Full disclosure. About 4, 5, and 6 o'clock this morning on the 24-hour stream, because you can trade 24 hours a day on Tesla from 7 p.m. Friday to Sunday, 7 p.m. Central Time. I started to sell my Tesla following Cathie Wood. Let me share with you why I did it and what I've got left. On my main brokerage position, this is my long-term position, which I'm about to start adding more. I've got a very small position on my long-term. It's 2.5% of my portfolio. I'm down 9.9%. I'm going to add more soon. I think Tesla can go lower. Sorry, I apologize. Tesla can go lower. My Roth IRA, I was 28% up. I'm now 22 up. I took profits at 28%. Now, I could have sold last week. I didn't, and I didn't sell all of my Tesla. I've still got 5.5 shares left, which is about 8% of my Roth IRA. So it's still quite a bullish position in percentage terms, but I took a 28% profit. The robots look good. The deliveries are probably going to be good. We've got inflation peaking. We've got rates still too high, but stabilizing. If you believe, like me, it's not going to be raised again. However, in the short term, we've got a week of pain for Tesla. We've had already quite a run on Tesla over the last week. We're down 11% on the week. Why is it down? Quite simple, because we know we've got a sideways action week. Cathie Wood dumped it. I'm sure she'll start buying it back. I'll start buying it back. And remember, even if you are bullish on a stock, if you believe in Tesla, which I believe we're a 4 or 6x in 5-10 years, I don't mind buying it here. Obviously not, right? So I sold at 28% on my Roth. I only really trade now on my Roth because I don't pay any taxes when I trade. I don't pay any short gain tax, any short capital gains tax. I don't really trade on my brokerage account. I trade on my Roth IRA, which I find is better because I don't pay taxes, right? I trimmed it 28%. It's good profit, right? 28% of any stock is a good profit. Forget 10Xs and stuff like that. 28%. In a few months, why not? 28%, I mean, that's nearly 3 times what you're going to earn a year on the S&P, let's be honest. So that's 3 years of growth built in. So I took profit. Didn't sell all of it at first. I sold half of it and then half again and half again. And now I'm down to just the 5. I do think we've got a week of sideways action that's shared with Cathie Wood and other institutions. Now, anything under 28% up, anything under that, I'm still buying it back at a discount, right? So right now, because some people say, well, if you sell it at 28% up, don't you want to buy it at 0 again? Otherwise, you're paying more for you than what it was in the first place. No, because if I buy it here and I sell it here for 28% profit, and then I buy it back at, say, where I am at 20% up, I'm still better off by 8% because I have that extra cash. I made that extra money and I'm buying it back with a 20% discount. Of course, it on the screen on your chart, it's going to go, your average is lowered, so it looks like you haven't got so much, but it's not taking into account that the profit you just made that you've already banked. So if you buy it here, sell it at 28%, buy it back at 20% up, you still benefited from 8%, right? You saved all that loss. You sold it at the high and bought it back here. You're not going to buy the stock for what it was at the beginning. We can't buy Amazon for $1. We can't buy Tesla for $1, what it was, years ago. That day is gone and you're never going to get there again. That doesn't mean to say that it's not worth buying ever again, is it? Obviously, right? So anyway, I'm looking to buy anything under the 20%. I do think we're going to get there. and then I'll start adding back in again with the profits that I've made with the other assets I bought. What did I buy? I bought Enphase Energy, NEE, Palantir, and a few other things. Looking at Rocket Labs, going to look at some Virgin Galactic soon. That's what I did with my Tesla. So Tesla, for me, it's the one of the best companies in the world. I love what they're doing. I believe in it. I think that this year we've got the Cybertruck coming out, or early next year. We've got the robo-taxis. The stock is phenomenal. It's great, but that doesn't mean to say you don't take profits along the way. Kathy Wood was right on this one. I want to be back in it quickly as possible. Anything under 20%, I'll start buying back in. Oh, Coca-Cola. That was where I bought this morning, and we can get back in. But the overall markets are down. As you can see from my portfolio, I'm starting to come back up again. It won't take long before I'm back in the green, I think. And I can start taking profits off my Coca-Cola, off my Enphase, off my NEE, off my Palantir, and then being able to buy back into Tesla. All right, click above my head if you want to vote on my X poll. There'll be polls and bits and pieces up there. Go and have a look over there. More videos over here in the series of Tesla and things you might like. Also, we've got a brand new show now on Sunday. Every Sunday at 3 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. UK time. We got a crypto and chart analysis with Sensei Crypto. Great show. It was his very first one this Sunday, and that's every Sunday. Go and check that out. I'll leave that over here as well, so you can go and check out Sensei's live show on Sunday. Till then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Let's look at my overall portfolio. And now we need to do Enphase. Also, I've got to do Rumble. Rumble is an all. Oh, this is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It's exactly what I wanted. As you can see, plus. Let me refresh the screen. Enphase Energy. Brilliant. Oversold now. 3, 1. Wow. Nearly in profit. Okay. Nearly in profit. This was where my Tesla money went. Let me bring it up. This is exactly what I did with my money. Okay. I start this morning on Robinhood with 100 shares at 171. My new account. Zaxate. Fantastic. Brilliant. So here we go. Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy, what a great time to buy it. What I did this morning, I sold nearly all of my Tesla to buy solar, NEE, and Enphase Energy to lower my averages. It's massively oversold. I will take some profits from my Roth position and then add to my long-term position. If you like this content, please do tap the like button. I really do appreciate it. I'm with you. I've lost a lot of money with Enphase, but I'm about to make profit on it. Let's go over to my main position and show you where I am. Here I am. I was down, I think, around about the 40% at one point. Don't quote me on that. You can look back on my videos. Something like that. I'm now down 2.61. And a few moments ago, I was under 2% down. Keep adding to this position. It's way oversold. I like this stock. We've got the buybacks coming. We've got good news around Enphase. More coming online. Everything about Enphase is looking good. I've always said it's got one of the best balance sheets on the market. Its balance sheet is phenomenal. And we had this massive rise. And then we had profit taking, and we had some bad news. Not really for Enphase, just macro conditions. People started selling off, and you can see where we are. I think, and if you look at this, it reminds me a little bit of a Tesla chart. If we go back to Tesla, and you can see we rode it up, we dumped it all back, and then we started riding up again. I think that is what's next for Enphase. If I didn't, I wouldn't have my money in it. We've not had that second bite of the cherry. So what am I doing? I've got my long-term position. It's 9% of my main account. Very bullish. I'm down 26% on it. because I don't have any money in my brokerage account to buy anymore. And I don't need to, because this is a stock that can do several hundred % profit. It's done it before, and it's got the growth. We need solar in the world. It's one of the best ways to provide energy. So I'm not at all concerned that it's down that much. That'll soon be wiped out. But my Roth IRA position is where I can make some money to compensate for my losses on the brokerage account tax-free. I keep buying with the very intention of just having some quick cash. I've got $1,000. It's not going to take very long or very much for this to go up 10, 20%, and I can sell it all, and I'll have plenty of cash available to do it all over again. So that's what I'm doing for Enphase. What do you think with Enphase? We covered the earnings. We learned a lot about the buybacks. I think it's massively oversold. I think we've got a lot of potential with this stock. It's one of my favorite assets to own. It's a large part of my portfolio. So there you go. I did buy more this morning. Now, if you want to know when I'm buying, before I'm buying, even if it's on the 24-hour stream, during the night, I have lots of stocks that I will buy throughout the night manually. Sometimes I get up out of bed and have a quick look. I know I shouldn't, but I do, and make some trades. I did a lot of trades this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. Click above my head. It'll take you to my X account, and you can leave your comments on my on Enphase. I've got a post there. Do you agree with me? Is Enphase a good stock to buy, or are you in it? Are you not? Go over here. We've got a brand new show on Sunday. We do full analysis on charts and with Sensei Crypto every Sunday. A brand new show, and that's just started. So join us for that, and more information over there on Enphase Energy. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Enphase. Now, lastly, I've got to talk about Rumble. Rumble is in serious trouble. I'm live on Rumble right now, as you know. I'll go there in a second, and I will share with you my thoughts on Rumble. Here it is, Rumble next, and this is the last one that I want to do this morning. I'm also going to bring up my Rumble account because I'm live on Rumble right now. Took a lot of criticism from people on Rumble. It's like a fan club. It's like, this is my audience on Rumble. So I'm talking directly to you guys, right? I've got a good audience. I stream on Rumble, but it doesn't make me any money, doesn't make Rumble any money, and is about to make Rumble a lot less money. Let me cover it on this video. Okay, this is my opinion. You can take this or not. I know Craig's not going to like this video, but we have to tell the truth as it is. So. Rumble, are we in an emergency zone with Rumble? I'm going to share my thoughts on Rumble with you right now. And is this the end of Rumble? Well, as you know, I have shares in Rumble on my Roth IRA and my main brokerage account. In the next few minutes on this video, I'm going to share with you my price prediction, what I'm doing, how many shares I've got, everything. I'm even going to show you, look, I'm live on Rumble right now. My account is growing nicely on Rumble, growing very well. I can tell you how much money I've earned on Rumble. I spoke to Chris Pavlovsky, who is the CEO, directly, messaged me directly on Rumble. So I have some kind of experience with the stock. I have experience with using it. I know how much money I make. I know who's on it. And I'm going to share all of that with you in this video. It's not a good picture. I will give you a little spoiler. Okay, so first of all, my Rumble position, it's changed recently. So first of all, my main brokerage position, if we look at my main brokerage position, I am down 45%. 45%. I bought it at $8.79. I thought that was a decent price at that time. It's now $4.75, of course. I've not added any more. This is my one position. I sold my position at a profit. I took profit from Rumble when it went up, and I haven't bought back yet. I've been waiting for a low price. Is it a low price now? Well, we'll discuss that in a second. I'll go into my Roth IRA as well. My Roth IRA, I took profits on this, started buying it back, now down 11.99%. As you can see, it's 3.2% of my portfolio. I wanted this to be a quick scalp trade to compensate me for the money I lost on the main account. I did make some profit, but then to be able to add back in with the Roth. So right now, Rumble is down to $4.73. Over the weekend, you may have seen me post on X and my social media that Rumble was going down. Rumble can go below $1. Craig is telling me, I know that Craig is going to be upset. If you want to leave a comment in this video, because it's being made during a live video, you can do a super chat, put the comment in, and it will read it out on the screen. I think we've got one from Zach about to come on the screen in a few seconds. But here is my thought. Here it is.
I want you, Martin, to buy STKH $20 less than $1. Don't sell before $10.
There you go. That was just read out. Thank you, Zach. I'll have a look at it at the end of this video. So why do I think Rumble's going down? Why do I think it's going to go below $1? Okay. So first of all, I do not like protest one side of the argument businesses. It's it's a really bad business model to be one side of the argument, believing that you can stir up an audience. Like, for example, whether you are Republican or Democrat, Donald Trump is very good at getting his side of the argument all fueled up and everyone's very passionate and excited and so on. I don't like that business model because you alienate half your audience. It's why this channel is neutral. I talk to everyone, answer everyone's questions, and I'm not politically biased in one side or the other. Rumble, particularly, it's one side of the argument. It says it's free and everyone can speak, which it is, but we know what it favors. So the very fact that it says it's open, and it is, anyone can say anything, it is still very much one side of the argument, all right? Now, that alienates half your audience. So straight away, unlike YouTube, Google, which appeals to everybody, with Rumble, you've just split your audience straight down the middle. That's never a good thing. That's the first problem. The second problem is it relies on controversial characters. It said on its earnings call, it was all about the election with Donald Trump, how that's going to do. Well, of course, if Donald Trump goes to prison, Rumble has lost another big chunk of its audience. We've now got, this is the main point of this video, we've now got Russell Brand. Russell Brand made an announcement over the weekend that on Monday, today, he is going to be on Rumble exclusively because YouTube have taken away his ad revenue. He's not banned from YouTube, but they've taken away his ad revenue because the people that pay for the adverts to put on his channel don't want to be associated with his content. So he's losing money. So he said in a video that I'm going to be on Rumble. It's going to be great. We're going to be over there instead because it's free. I can say what I like. However, what he didn't take into account, however, is it's the same advertisers, the same businesses. And we have just heard that those businesses that were going to sponsor and have ad revenue on his show, on Russell Brand's show, have pulled out. They don't want to be associated with Russell Brand. Okay? That's just the way it is. Now, whether we like it or not, censorship, corruption, whatever you want to call it, it exists. And when you build a business model and expect me, the investor, to invest in it, it might be great for you and Russell Brand and Donald Trump to have a voice, but how long is Russell Brand going to do it when he earns no money? Zero. Nothing on YouTube. Nothing on Rumble. Now, I, for a year and a half, were free. I was going live for a year and a half for free, never earned any money. And I still don't earn much money. But I'm always live because I believe in building an audience. I'm not about the money. Well, these are big, rich people. I don't know. Is Russell Brand going to stream every day for free? I do. I did for the first year and a half. Now I make a few bucks a day. Will he? But the point is, why it's a worry is, over here on Rumble, this is the homepage of Rumble, Russell Brand was featured here on the homepage. He's not. He was there yesterday. It's gone. Not there. Because Rumble are not making any money and won't make any money from their biggest draw. Now, we might have the same thing happen to Donald Trump. Now, all of a sudden, Russell Brand, Donald Trump, they're not helping the channel grow. They're not doing anything. So you've got a major issue now for Rumble actually making any money. Now, look at this, folks. It just shows you. For the very first time, I will tell you, I am now featured on the live. I'm very often number one on the finance, but look, I'm number what? On the live, which is a big deal. That's only second to being featured. Look at this, folks. Live on Rumble, in the live, I am 1, 2, 3. I'm fifth. Look at that. I am fifth, right? I'm ranking higher today than Russell Brand is, right? Where's his show was up here, but it's not there. Anyway, the point is, and this is what I'm going to get to now, I am on the homepage of Rumble. I am in the top 5 of the lives, which is a huge honor for me. Huge. Look, 5.25 million views, number one, 5,000, 8,000, 2,000. I have nowhere near that, but I am number 5 on the main live on Rumble today. Okay. Now you go, okay, what's the point of that? What's that got to do with the stock? If we go down here, to where is it? Finance. I'm number 3 on finance. So I'm ranking everywhere. Brilliant. Fantastic. I'm a tiny little rumbler, tiny little channel, 450 views. Matt Kors has got thousands and thousands and thousands more than me. However, Matt Kors will always be like, promoting how great Rumble is and how much money it makes, because he wants to stay in favor. That's not my style of show. I'm always going to be honest with you. The reality is, and he's live right now. I'm live right now. I will tell you, I am live up to 10 hours a day, have been for 7 months now. I don't know, something like that. I'm growing every day. I'm getting more followers every day, which is great. I've earned $36 now, $36 in all of those months. And I think about $10 or $15 of that was from Crag on day one, who gave me like a bonus, like a little super chat, if you like. That's all I've earned. And I've ranked number 1 on finance. I'm number 5 today on live. It doesn't make any money. It doesn't make any money. Now, now the only way for Rumble to make money is controversial figures. We all know that controversy is not good and censorship is not good. And Rumble is a free platform and you can do what you like. Yeah, but if the sponsors don't want to sponsor you, they don't want to associate with you because you've got a bad reputation or you're involved in a court case like Russell Brand is. Rumble don't make any money. Russell Brand doesn't make any money. And today, the share price is obliterated. There's nowhere for it to go. There's nowhere for it to go. It's come out as a business which is designed to be controversial. Now, where does it go? There's nowhere for it to go. What does Rumble do now? Its main advertisement is, we are the free channel. You can say what you like. However, they didn't bank on the fact that the people behind the money go, well, we're not going to back it. We're not going to back it. So you might say this is a great time to buy Rumble. Why? If Rumble doesn't earn any money, doesn't pay its creators any money, who's going to stream on it? Well, I will tell you now, and I will talk directly to my Rumblers. There are 8 Rumblers watching me right now. There they are. I will tell you directly to you, Rumble, right now. I will tell you, I am 99% certain Russell Brand, Donald Trump, Matt Cause, anyone you like, will not stream on Rumble if they make no money. I guarantee it. 100%. Guarantee. Because that's what motivates most human beings. I, however, am about building an audience. I love my audience. And I don't need to make any money. Well, I do, because I've got nothing. I mean, they've all got money. I've got nothing. However, I'm happy with nothing because I've got my audience, my wife, and I'm okay. So I will continue to be here, but is Rumble a good investment? I don't think so. I don't think so. Now, should I buy more at 470? No. I'm not going to buy any more at 470. I could wipe out. I've only got 100 shares. I could easily buy now 4 times that much. By 400 shares, my loss of 12% would go down to about 3%. 3% down at the all-time low. I could do it. I've got the money to do it. I tell you what, if anyone wants me to buy Rumble, you want me to buy Rumble, every super chat I get over the next 5 minutes, I'll buy Rumble with it. That's a promise, all right? If you want me to buy Rumble, I'll buy Rumble. But I'm not buying it with my money. If you want me to buy it, give me a super chat, I'll buy Rumble. But I don't think it's worth buying because it's decided to come down on one side of the argument. It's halved its audience. It never calculated what if the advertisers don't want to back controversial figures. How do we make any money? How? Well, I don't think they can. If you like this video or don't like this video, tap the like or tap it twice. I don't mind. Do something anyway. But thanks for watching. If you want to take part in my poll, my X poll on Rumble, whether you think it's going to make money and survive, click above my head. I don't think so. I don't think so. There's a better platform out there. It's called Live Streamer Cafe. It's my own platform. I have built a platform just like Rumble. You can say and do what you like. Stream to my own server. Do what you want. I have created a platform just like Rumble. You can do what you like. The difference is it's not designed to make money. It's designed to make money for the viewers, for the creators. And I actually have that website. I actually have that. I built it. Let me share with you on the screen right now. Here is something that's better than Rumble. You want to see it? Look at this. This is better than Rumble. This is my own platform. I built myself. It's livestreamercafe.com. It's free to stream to. It's free to watch. And the only people who make any money are the creators. Do we have creators? Yep, loads of them. Some people want to pay to promote themselves to the top. There we go. Scroll the way down. You can see me there. Look, there's me. Look. You can scroll the way down. They've got look, all these artists all around the world. These people can go on, and there's all these free people all around the world. These people can broadcast their own content any way they like, do whatever they want. They get paid because they get paid with tips and donations, which go directly straight into their pocket. I make no money on it whatsoever. They keep all the money. All of these people, loads and loads and loads of people on my own platform. That's actually, I don't need to show you anymore. It just goes on forever. But anyway, there you go. So there is a better way of doing it. There's a better way of doing it. But this is about investing. So if an artist wants to stream and go live, all they've got to do is go on my platform. They keep all the money. However, for an investor, this doesn't make sense. I'm not happy with Rumble because it can't return an investment to me. I could sell my profit. I could sell now for a loss. Will there be a bounce? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Click above my head if you want to vote on the poll, or you want the link to Live Stream a Cafe and you want to stream yourself and make money and do what you like. Click above my head or over here for more videos in the series. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let's have a look. Now then. Let me read the comments. Now then, Zach8 said, Super Chat, I want you to buy STKH, $20. Less than $1. Don't sell before 10. Right, let's have a look. Duplicate. STKH. Stakeholder Foods. Is this the one? Is this the one, mate? All right. Okay. Let me come back to here a minute. Let me check my rumblers. Okay. This is what you just said to me here. I want you to buy $20 of ST. Now, I'll make a video on it because it's only right. If someone does this, then I'm happy to do this, right? This is only fair. You have to be a member if you want this perk, but we'll do it. STKH, all right? So what we'll do is go to ST. It has to be on my Roth. STKH. Stakeholder Foods. Okay. I'll make a video out of it as well, so it'll promote the stock. I only promote stocks that I actually buy, so I don't just promote stuff. I can't pump and dump it anyway. I haven't got the power to do that. STKH, and the time is 1:50, 1 hour 50, 1.50. Okay, here we go. Right. Stakeholder Foods. Let me have a look as well. Get some information. STKH. Just bear with me. Just bringing up some information here on this stock. Just bear with me. Goes 117, watch 113 level. What is that? What stock are you talking about, guys? We've got a little issue here in the studio. Just bear with me. Just getting some information on the stock. That's what I wanted. 3D. Right, okay. I want this here. All right, that'll do. Okay, I'm doing this for one of my members, so I'm just going to go in $20. So let me go and buy this. In fact, I'll do it so everyone can see me do it. So here we go. Reaction from Crag. You've seen what can happen with stock linked to Trump in the past. Yes. This is another positive for Rumble. This situation will bring more new viewers who never use Rumble. In my opinion, I think Rumble could end up a GameStop type stock. That's why I don't want it. I've a buy order Enphase at 119. Hey Joe. Hey Crag. Go with your instincts. Thanks, Jojo. I think it's being driven down by shorts right now. Next year will be the right year for Rumble. But I agree with Martin that the payments are terrible for everyday Rumblers right now, and there's not enough viewers on the platform yet. Yes, said Zax8. What Enphase? Okay. All right, here we go. So we're going to do this now. Okay. Stakeholder Foods. In this video, we're going to take our very first look at Stakeholder Foods. What is it? And it's going to be quite an entertaining little video, this is, because if you're one of my members and you want me to make a video on a stock, you can. Members only. Give me a super chat and I'll actually buy the stock on the screen, but I'll also make a video about it as well. So it's a bit of fun to do this. So what is Stakeholder Foods? First thing I got to do before the price moves back up again is I was given a super chat a few moments ago by one of my members. I'll share with you on the screen. This is exactly what happened a few moments ago, and you can see here. This is what Zax8 said to me. He says, "Can you make a video and buy the stocks?" This is what happened a few moments ago. Here we go.
I want you, Martin, to buy STKH $20 less than $1. Don't sell before $10.
Okay, absolutely. So I'm in my account right now. I don't have any information on this, but I've been asked to talk about it. We're going to research it quickly, and I'm also going to buy it. So let's go into my account here. Go down to here. This is just my Roth IRA. As you can see, it's at 92 cents. Trade, buy, and I'll do a limit order. This is happening live during the show, unedited. 92. So if I go 94 cents to make sure it goes through, because I want to do it, don't I? Market order hours, absolutely. Today, yes. And I've got $20 to spend. There we go. I can buy, 21? There you go, 21 shares of that on my Roth IRA, tax-free, and swipe it up. Now, it should go through. There you go. It's gone through. Purchase at 94 cents. There you go. I've bought the stock. That was courtesy of Zax8. Thank you very much indeed for that. I've now got a position on it, as you can see, and it's went down. I'm now down 2% already because I bought it at 94. If it was able to go at 92, it would have gone at 92. Some of you say, well, why didn't you set the order at 92? Because not necessarily, it wouldn't have necessarily gone through. And for the purpose of this video, I wanted to be in straight away, not waiting, because my member gave me a $20 tip to buy it. So that's why I did it. So there you go. I'm in now with that small amount. And he's told me don't sell it until it goes above $10. What is it? What have I just bought? Well, let's have a quick look. What is Stakeholder Foods? Okay. Here it is. This is their website. That looks a nice bit of food there, but what is this? Should we have a little read? Okay, let's go over here. The mission. Let's zoom in just a little bit so you can see there. Devour a good steak, but not the planet. Stakeholder Foods is on a mission to make real meat sustainable, delicious, and clean. The company was born out of a deep connection to a beloved culinary tradition and a passion to pass it on sustainably. We combine advanced biology and cutting-edge 3D bioprinting technology. Don't tell me we're printing food. Are we printing food? I don't believe so. We combine advanced biology with cutting-edge 3D bioprinting technology. It sounds like we do actually. It does sound like we're actually we're actually printing meat. Anyway, this sounds strange, but let me carry on. To produce some cuts of real meat. We knew that the best people like to work on the hardest challenge and would be inspired by our mission to make meat sustainable. Oh my gosh, printing meat. Printing meat. I've just bought this, by the way. Meat is a centerpiece of culture we must produce in a way that preserves our ecosystem, keeps our food and fresh water secure, and protects the welfare of animals. We aim to transform the way meat is sourced and supplied to the world, but we cannot do it alone. That is why we went public right from the start and became the first NASDAQ-listed cultivated meat company. Join our mission to make real meat sustainable. Okay, we'll cut the video just there. I'll zoom out. Printing meat. We've got to learn about this, right? How does it work? The technology. Let's go to the technology. My gosh. Okay. Okay. Right, I'll keep editing bits of this video. Now, when I said about printing meat, we wasn't joking. We actually do print meat. Yes, drop jet technology. Ideal, this one's for seafoods. Technology based on drops of gel-based materials to create a three-dimensional structure. Can you believe this? Okay, I'll cut it there. Here we go. This is how we make meat. Look at this. And this is how we print meat. Ideal for meat products. It's called the fusion technology. Technology based on extruding paste materials through a narrow nozzle, enabling the creation of fiber texture that best simulates meat fibers. This is the device here. This is actually a meat printing machine. What do you make of this? Okay, I'll cut it there. This is incredible. All right. I'll do more when I've studied more about it. Let's come back to the stock. All right. So let's take a quick look at the stock. Is this something that can really exist? Is this something that we can actually make money from? Well, let's go into the actual company itself. It's I have just a very small amount. As you saw, I just bought it through a super chat from one of my members. If anybody else gives me a super chat right now, I'll buy another $20 and I'll lower my average. Anyway, Stakeholder Foods operates as a deep technology food company which uses science and technology to produce real meat products. It focuses on the development of novel proprietary three-dimensional bioprinter to deposit layers of differential stem cells, scaffolding, and cell nutrients in a three-dimensional form of structured cultural meat. Arik Kaufman is the CEO, 81 employees, and it's over there in Tel Aviv, of course, Israel, which is, of course, where Zach Sate's from. Now that makes sense why he's interested in it. That's wonderful to see. 21 million. It's a very, very small company. I don't normally buy companies this small or even review them. But however, we are today for Zach, one of our members. 52-week high, 245, and a high today of 96 cents. 52-week lower, 55 cents. Its price to earnings ratio is -41. We are losing money right now. There is no dividend to this stock. Average volume, 114,000. Today is 12,000. Not much volume today on it. Let's scroll down. It's had its first earnings, and as you can see, no surprise, it's losing money at the moment. That's fine. Do we have any analysts on it? No. What about who buys this company? Okay, and this tells us about the sort of people that buy this particular company. Very interesting to look at this because it gives you the sentiment of how it will move. Beyond Meat makes perfect sense. Another meat company, Beyond Meat, Virgin Galactic, one of our favorite stocks. Okay, which would probably suggest it's being shorted then because Virgin Galactic is a shorted stock. CRISPR. I don't know much about this stock, to be honest. Tilray Brands, Nano Dimension, and ChargePoint, just to give you an idea of the sort of people that will buy it. So it's quite risky because Tilray, ChargePoint, Virgin Galactic, I don't know about CRISPR and don't know much about Beyond Meat. There's going to be some short interest and some very volatile action. If we look at the overall position, it IPO'd here on 21. It's done nothing but go down. It's now been around 63 cents now since April, 87 cents, 84 cents. It's going up now. Since its decline, did it bottom out here? I don't know. The big concern we have, of course, with Beyond Meat right now is that it will need to reverse split. It won't be able to stay down here for very long. They'll have to go to the SEC and have that discussion about reverse splitting. Hopefully not. Hopefully they can get it above 92 cents. If we all buy it, perhaps it might go up above $1, and they don't need to reverse split below $1 to keep it on the exchange after a period of time. They'll have to reverse split. Companies don't do well when they reverse split. It's emergency measures to keep it on the market. I hope that doesn't happen. Anyway, what do you think of this? What do you think? Well, 92 cents. I'm going to hold that for the minute. It's a fascinating subject. I am inclined just to wipe out that 2% loss and that I'm down. I bought it at 94, 91 right now, and just see if I can wipe out that loss. Down 3% at the moment. It's just moving down. Anyway, I'll have a look at it later. I'll go into the financials. What I want to do now is look at the financials. What's its debt position? What's its balance sheet looking like? Can it profit from this business, or is it all the investment too great? I will have a look at it. Anyway, click above my head if you want more information on Stakeholder Foods. I'll put some information on my X account. You can vote on it whether you think it's a good idea. More videos in the series. Go and check them out. And there you go. Thank you very much, Zach8, for your super chat and introducing us to this company. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to buy limit order. I'm going to do 91 cents, market hours, 3 p.m. and going to buy 10, 11, 12, 13. There you go. 13. I'll buy 13 at 91. I'm going to swipe up to wipe out that loss. Just out of courtesy to Zach8 for giving me the super chat. And, it did it. It did it straight away for 91. There you go. There you go. I'm down 3% now. I just lowered my average to 92.85 from 94. So there you go. I just did a little bit. Look, see, 92 cents. There you go. Just lowered it from 94 to 92. Does anybody want me to buy it again? Quite funny, isn't it, really? Okay, let me close that down. Right, we're going to have to get off. I've got to get these videos out. Let's read some of the comments I may have missed. Rumble, yeah, Rumble could go to $1. Absolutely. Been listening to Rumble. Really interesting is all I have to say. Rumble continues to tumble. Oh no, printed food down another 5%. Been saying it's $10 now, $4.60. Yeah, go to $1. Yeah, there's nothing to stop it. There's nothing to stop it. It doesn't make any money. It's not making any money for the creators. I love the platform, but you can't fight the system, I'm afraid. It is what it is. And but I will tell you something. This, in fact, I'll make a follow-up. This is why Rumble can't survive. Rumble follow-up. I'm going to show you now why Rumble can't survive. I'm going to actually show you exactly why. As awful as it is, I'm going to prove to you now why it can't survive. A quick follow-up to my first Rumble video, evidence why Rumble can't survive. I'm going to show you why I believe Rumble's going to $1. I'm going to prove it to you unequivocally. Is that a real word? Yes, it is. Unequivocally, I can't even say it. Why I believe Rumble can't survive and why it will go either to $1 or ultimately out of business. I'm going to prove it to you right now. No one knows more about Rumble than I do, really, because I'm live on Rumble every day. I've spoken to the CEO, Chris Pavlovsky. I've featured on the homepage of Rumble in the live section and the finance section, and this is the proof of it. Rumble says it is a free speech platform. There's only one free speech platform in the world, and that's my platform, Livestreamer Cafe. You can go live, do what you want, and we don't rely on advertisers, so we're not influenced in any way. And the people that stream make the money, not me. I give it to you. It's my gift. If you want that link, click above my head, livestreamercafe.com. That's the only free service in the world that actually makes money for the creator, not me. I give it to you for free. Rumble, however, relies on advertisers. And people vote aggressively on Rumble. They're either one side of the argument or the other. They either hate Donald Trump. They either love Donald Trump or they don't watch. So you've lost half your audience. Russell Brand says, I want to free the world and be a free speaking person. All the advertisers removed the funding from his channel on YouTube. Now they're doing it on Rumble. You can't change the system, right? And this is it. People who use Rumble vote aggressively with their ideas. It's protesting, unfortunately, and I'm going to prove it to you right now, show you what I mean. Because if you sell yourself as a free speaking platform, but you're putting your money on one side of the argument, which is what Rumble do, you are not really as open as you think you are, because the people that watch are only one side of the argument, and they're the sort of people that vote aggressively. Like the people that support, certain people that support Donald Trump are very passionate about it. And there's no discussion, there's no debate, it's just one way or the highway. Rumble is the same. This morning, I had a really good audience on Rumble. I had like 20 odd people watching me at one point. I started saying that Rumble isn't as free as you think it is, and the stock's going to zero. And look, it's gone to 2. Even though I'm on the homepage of Rumble, is it really free and open-minded? Are the people free and open-minded? No, because an open debate, open business is when anyone can speak, anyone is listened, and everyone debates When you have an argument where it's one side or the other, and you've just got a few people, because it's literally half the audience, a few people saying one side of the argument, nobody's debating you. They just don't want to get involved. Like the Truth Social. Truth Social is only one side of the argument. There's no debate going on, which means there's no big business. The big businesses aren't going to back the events, which is what's happening with Russell Brand. They've taken it off. They're taking it off Rumble. Then even though he's on Rumble, they're not going to put ads. They're not going to sponsor it. You've lost all your funds. And this proves it. Because when I said this morning, that a business model like this cannot survive in this world as it is, everybody left. Everybody left their own platform, which they want to be successful, want to make money as an investor. They left. So no one's now watching my show on Rumble. 2 people are. So I'm not making any money. Rumble isn't making any money because they're not showing any ads to anybody. Losing. The only way a business can survive or a platform can thrive is if it's open to everyone, the global market, everyone's opinions are listened to. And also, there is a debate. So if you say something, someone can debate and go, I don't agree. If you are the sort of person that only ever reads one side of the argument, let's say, for example, you are a Republican and you only read literature and books all about being a great Republican, you don't know what the other side of the argument is. You don't learn anything. You're just brainwashing yourself. If you are a Democrat and all you read is Democrat information, you don't listen to the other side of the argument. You don't learn anything. And if you don't learn anything, you don't grow. And if you don't grow, you're not a business. If you're not a business, why are we investing in it? So this is why I think Rumble cannot survive in this situation. So I think that proves my point. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, there's only 2 people left. And I bet any money you like, they are my people from YouTube who are watching me on YouTube, who are supporting me here because they want to help me grow and they're just supporting me. I think the Rumble audience have left because the Rumble audience want it one way or the other. We've seen Matt Cause talking on Rumble, promoting Rumble, saying how great it is, rather than how it actually is. How it actually is it doesn't make any money for me as a creator on Rumble, doesn't make Rumble any money. And as soon as I say it's not great, everyone leaves. That's the same as if I went on Truth Social and if I said, and I'm not politically biased either way, if I went on Rumble or if I go on the Truth Social and say I don't like Donald Trump, no one would listen to me. No one will have a conversation with me. I will have no audience. So I have to be on one side or the other. So a business model like this can never, ever survive. It's purely a protest. And protests will never win. So I'm going to back up my argument with my own money and lose money of my own right now to prove what I'm saying is true. Rumble right now, I am down 14%. 14%. I'm down $81. I believe that Rumble can now go to 0. Here is my position. I don't want to sell for a loss, but that's exactly what I'm going to do. Because right now it's down 14%. Trade, sell all, $462, sold. I've just lost $70 and I've sold it all. There's no point me owning it. Now, unlike Matt Cause, unlike Donald Trump, unlike Russell Brand, will they go live on Rumble when it loses money, when it makes them no money? I will. I'm live there right now. But will I lose my audience? Well, apparently, according to the system, I'm supposed to be a free-minded channel and I can say what I like, but yet the audience don't want to hear it. They want to hear their side of the argument, nothing else. So there you go. I've just lost $78, 14% of my investment, because I'm standing by what I say, even though I've lost money, even though I get no money, even though there's nobody listening now, I'm remaining honest and truthful. I don't think Rumble can survive, because we live in a world now of big tech which wants to control the narrative. However, you can beat the system as long as you're prepared to do it for the community and not the money. Russell Brand makes a lot of money from his broadcast. Will he do it now he's not making any money? Donald Trump makes a lot of money. Will he do it if he doesn't make any money? Well, I've just proved to you, not only do I do it to nobody because they don't like my content, what I'm saying, I also sold for a loss because my commitment is to the truth. There you go. So there's my thoughts on Rumble today. Click above my head if you want to vote on my poll on X. I wonder if anybody will watch this video. I have no idea. Click it above my head and more videos over here in the series. And that's what I think of Rumble. Leave me your thoughts below. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's read your thoughts. Sounds like the film Soylent Green. Very interesting company, Zach. But will it catch on? A lot of money on Beyond Meats. CRISPR is gene editing. I'm in that one too. Just joined. Did I miss you doing any trades today? Yes, we just done some trades. I did about 20 trades this morning, Wade Van Eysen. At 6 o'clock this morning, 5 o'clock this morning, 4 o'clock this morning on the 24-hour stream. All the trades were posted this morning here on my X account. Here. If you want to see the trades that I did, yes, I did about 10 different trades. There's my X account. These are all the trades that I did. This is for the benefit of Wade. I bought PLTR, I bought Plug, I bought Enphase, I bought Coca-Cola, I sold Tesla to pay for it. So there are my trades this morning. Cultured meat approved in the USA this year. I hope there'll be more excitement in the market soon. No offense, I'll think I'll stick with the real meat, says Seth. Fair enough. I like companies that aim to improve the world, like STKH will become successful. What do you think about Instacart? I know nothing about it, Freesaw. If you become a member, I'll review it for you. I can't bear the animal cruelty in farming and slaughter worldwide. Can't stand how people willing to accept this or hide from what goes on. Jojo S. Meat used to be a luxury item. Speaking like the choir, Seth Houston. Still a platform for free speech. Not their fault the other wing don't want to be associated with them. Yes, it is a platform for free speech. However, let's see, 21, if Russell Brand, when he gets no money... Hang on a minute. Hang on. I already know the answer. You just said a platform for free speech. Not their fault if the other wing don't want to be associated with them. 21, very important. Russell Brand said over the weekend on a video he put out, we're not going to be on YouTube, even though he has, 35 million followers, because YouTube have removed the ad revenue. He has an audience on YouTube. He's not going live on YouTube today because he's not making any money. Free speech is free speech. Real free speech is free. When a multimillionaire is prepared to talk to his audience for free. I've got no money and I talk to you for free. Russell Brand with 35 million? Let me just have a look. followers on YouTube, said he's not going to do it because he's not getting any money. He's not banned. He's not banned from YouTube. He's making out he's banned from YouTube. He's not banned. Oh, here we go. 6.5 million.
Of course, the reason we're so excited today is because
Here we go. Look. See, free speaking and honesty is exactly that. Free. Russell Brand has 6.6 million subscribers. 6.6 million human beings want to listen to him, but yet he has said he is not going live on YouTube. He's doing it on Rumble instead. He's got on YouTube, haven't banned him. They're just not paying him ad revenue. But he's going, no, forget it. I'm not doing it. I'm not making any money, so I'm not doing it. I'm going to go over to Rumble. The people that sponsor Rumble have said, well, we're not going to pay you on Rumble either. So you're saying to me a platform for free speech, not their fault if the other wing don't want to be associated with it. He's not doing it. He could go live, but he's choosing not to. I think that's really bad. 6 million followers and you're going, I'm not going to go live because I'm not making any money. Wait till cancel culture tries to silence Joe Rogan again. And he moves over to Rumble. The viewers will flock in. But then they'll cancel them. They won't pay ad revenue again. Will he do it for free? I wonder how many people will actually do it for free. Like me. Agree with you, Martin, about Rumble. There you go. It's going down and down and down and down and down. His contract with Spotify is up. I don't care about all this protesting. I want to see if the people will actually be I want to see if these rich celebrities will actually be live for the people when they don't get paid. Right? More like Rumblers don't want to associate with us. That's why they made their own platform. More like Rumblers don't want to associate with us. That's a very, very good point. YouTube, I can talk about anything. As long as I'm respectful, I can say anything. So, YouTube is very open and honest. I've got no problem with YouTube. I just can't be offensive or swear or whatever. I can have a healthy debate on any channel. I don't need a special channel to have a healthy debate. The difference is here, I'm actually having a debate. On Rumble, I'm not having any debate. I've just proven it to you that now I've said all this, everyone has stopped watching. Healthy debate is for intelligent, open-minded people. Rumble, 2. YouTube, 53. Simple. And I would do it for free. I would do it for free. You can't beat the system, but you can work with the system and profit from it. Absolutely right. Absolutely 100%. Absolutely true. Life is a game. Know what the rules are and play by the rules to win. Play by the rules, but you have to know what the rules are. I agree. I hope you can make money on this. I hope you can make money on this. I live on my super chats and my memberships. I earn hardly anything from ad revenue. YouTube, I don't get thousands of views. I earn money, minimum amount of money from you guys giving me super chats because you want the content to be live, you want it to be real. I'm here telling you the truth. And it's absolutely infuriating to me to see people say you want open speech and Russell Brand and all that. Look, now down to 1. There is the actual evidence right there. Rumble, have Rumble taken me off the homepage? Let's have a look. They don't, Rumble audience do not want an open debate. Donald Trump's on the homepage, look, one side of the argument. Let's have a look. And this won't be a debate between Donald Trump and Biden, for example. This will be what's wrong with the system. I love Donald Trump. That is not an open debate. That's not an open debate, is it? Let's see where I appear now. There you go. An open and honest debate. Open and honest. I am no longer on the live page. No longer. Let's see where I am on the finance page. I am no longer on the finance page. The very first time ever that I have not been on the finance page. What does that tell you? The very platform which professes to be the most honest platform with free speech is actually controlling my views. For the very first time, I am not on the live. And these are upcoming live streams. They're not even live. I'm live right now. All of these are pre-recorded or upcoming. Dave Ramsey, all of these. I am the only one who's actually live other than that one. And I'm not on the homepage or the financial page for the very first time. This is supposed to be the most freest, open, honest place to broadcast. It's not. It isn't. So I can't invest in that. It makes no sense whatsoever. The world is unfair. Realize that, get on with it, stop complaining. I have got no right for anyone to watch me. None whatsoever. I do my best. I'm always honest. I'll never be bought by anyone. I won't be paid to say what you want me to say. I will do it for free. You don't have to pay me. I'm not a big superstar like Russell Brand, who goes, I'm not going to be on YouTube tomorrow. Not because they're censoring him, because they're not paying him. I'll go on Rumble instead. Oh, hang on a minute. They're not going to pay me now. Let's see what he does over there. So if you're going to be honest and be real. And this actually makes me quite angry because I've just proved to you they've taken me off the homepage. Just shown you. That's why I've got no viewers now. Thanks. First day of the work today, so not able to watch. Niels, who do you mean by us? YouTube. Yeah, not defending anyone, to be honest. Not sure how much live stuff he was doing on YouTube anyway, apart from some segment trying to... Russell Brand was on YouTube all the time. Huge channel. Same, never heard of him anyway. You never heard of Russell Brand? Yeah, not sure he'll get a phone in jail if that's the outcome. That'll shut him up. There you go. Thanks for your honesty on Rumble and YouTube, Martyn. Social media is trying to make you hate YouTube. I agree. There's nothing wrong. YouTube has been great to me. Nothing wrong at all. Why waste your time on effort then, Martyn? Because I'm answering the question and some of you have shares in it. Martyn, for the first time, Martyn Lucas, for the first time to be cancelled from Rumble. Yeah. How can anyone get cancelled from Rumble? It's a free speech place, apparently. But yeah, I certainly have not appeared there for the very first time. Well, there you go. That puts it in a nutshell, doesn't it? That puts it in a nutshell. I'd be angry too. I don't think Rumble will last. It can't. I don't think it can. It's because if you're not real and you're not honest and you don't have a business plan when your whole thing is about being honest, you'll fail. You'll be exposed. Will Russell Brand still have his followers when he doesn't do it when he's not getting paid? Anyway. You know I'll always be live because I can go on my own platform. I don't rely on anybody. If I got cancelled everywhere, I could go live on Livestream Cafe and I can do what I want. And no one, that is the most open, honest channel in the world. No one will ever stop me. It'd be impossible. Totally impossible. Anyway. Totally impossible. Let me, what time did I do that? I've got to get off 2 hours. That'll be 2:20. 2:20. All right. I've got to get off. Quite scary. You're off the finance page, to be fair. Yep, the first time ever. The first time ever. And supposed to be the most honest, real channel on rubbish. I mean, look. Come on, people. If you want an open mind, open your mind. Open your mind. On the very, very top of the channel, the featured event is a guy who is angry with the political system that goes against his mate, Donald Trump. What we should have is Donald Trump and Joe Biden or whoever, the two arguments together. We're not having that. We're not having that. Donald Trump doesn't want to do that anymore. He wants to be in a place where he can have his own view and everyone say he's great. And this guy here, whoever this guy is doing this because he can make money out of people watching him. Does he really believe what he's saying? Then do it for free. Then have a debate. Don't just put your side of the argument because you're going to make money. How is that open and honest? It's not. It's not. So, the world is unfair. The world is corrupt and terrible. That's the way it is. But I will continue to be the most real, honest channel there is. No one will come close because I just do not care about money. And I haven't got any. I've only just got enough to pay my bills every day. That's it. But that's the difference. Anyway. Well, that shows what the company truly stands by. If they are blocking and control. Well, you see it. I've just shown you it right there. Martyn, how would you mark the platform from worst? How would you mark the platform from worst to best? How would I mark it? Well, the platform works okay. It's just a copy of YouTube, though. It's nothing original. YouTube don't control my audience. Rumble do. The very thing that says Rumble is unique, that everyone is free, is the opposite to YouTube. If you are searching for me, you find me. The way I get seen on Rumble is if Rumble put me on the page or not. That's it. They decide what you see. So the very notion that it's open and honest is not true. They want to show what makes them money. They've taken me off for the very first time. Very first time. I'm live and I'm not on the live channel. There's people watching right now policing it. So I'd give it a 0. The platform it's just YouTube. They've used the same foundations, but they're controlling it. Hey Martyn, which Discord chat can I message you to ask you others about some stocks I'm curious about? Right, okay. In Seth, are you a member? Yes. Have you been upgraded on Discord? Seth, have you been upgraded on Discord? Seth, are you on Discord and have you been upgraded as a YouTube member? If so, then you can. There's a channel called Ask the Family. So if ask the family, ask a question. You can ask that. Stock news, crypto news. That's how best to do it. But they're all members only channels. So that's why I'm asking: are you a YouTube member? Are you a member on Discord? Can you see all those channels? Space might finish green. It might. I don't really understand the frustration. Just tuned in. Surely if people get cancelled or removed, Rumble is trying to be against that. Yeah, Sensei, we've had a really big conversation about it. I can't go back over it now. I've got to finish the show. You can watch it back. Yeah, there you go. YouTube also has trends. I don't agree with that at all. It's all to do with what you search. It's very straightforward. When people say that YouTube and Google is censored and controlled, it's not. It isn't. Let me tell you how YouTube make money. YouTube does not exist to promote Martyn Lucas or any channel. It doesn't care whether I'm Mr. Beast or I'm nobody, right? It doesn't care. All it does is this. YouTube make money when ads are seen. Simple. When you're on the channel, they show ads, they make money. Simple. If somebody is looking for some content, they're trying to match up the question with the answer. If people are looking for Virgin Galactic and I'm doing it, they'll show my videos. Simple as that. If people engage in my videos and watch and people watch, they can show more ads, they make more money. Simple. If my content answers the question, but no one likes it, it doesn't engage with it, you don't like, you don't comment, you click off, they stop showing that video and try something else because they want to engage the customer. That's it. That's it. It doesn't work like Rumble, where it puts you on a platform and they decide what goes on the homepage. What decides what gets seen? When you make a video, YouTube put it out. If people watch it and engage with it, they show more people, they make more money. Simple. So YouTube system is very, very simple. You've got to make this, the way you grow is two ways. One, make content that people are searching for and become the king of your niche. Why I did Virgin Galactic at the beginning, because it wasn't really done very well. And I was able to do it well and a lot. And two, make quality content that people engage with and stay on the platform, so YouTube will show more of it because they watch your stuff and don't turn off. Simple. That's how it works. The very opposite of how Rumble work. Yes, I believe so. They show a lock. They show a lock on them. What does that mean? Yes. Well, what you do, Seth, is come into Discord. Yeah, come into Discord, go into the welcome all, and I'll upgrade you. So go to Discord. I'll give you the link, which you've used before, which is the link to the the invitation, whatever. You will come in there right under where I said hello. Hi, Pedro. See me on the screen? Right. Just come in the Discord right now. If you've already signed up, this should be instant. Come in the Discord right now, and I will upgrade you to a YouTube member. You're obviously not a YouTube member. You don't have access to the membership, the members only channels. Okay. I've got to end the show, so can you do it now? Because I've got to run. When I make a bit more money, I will probably join your group. Lucas Hexon, thank you very much indeed. You'll make money by being part of our group because we share information and stuff only the members get. So we look forward to that. I said hello in the Ask the Family chat. Ask the Family. Okay, so you are. It looks like you are Seth. You are a YouTube member. Okay, you are a YouTube member. Yep, we've got a role. We are a YouTube member. We're friends. You got the right name. Yep, you're all good. Hello, Seth. Is Niels a member? Just make sure I cover everything. Yep, we're all good. Yep, you're all good. All done. You can now ask the family and so on and so forth. Okay, does YouTube let members or guests add watchers? Does YouTube prep members? I don't know what that means. Does YouTube prep members or guest add watchers? Jojo S, I don't understand the question. They delete millions of content frequently. I can't comment on that.
Kudos to you, Martyn Lucas Investor, for swimming against the dishonest culture tide and standing up for what you believe.
Well, Nonny, thank you very much indeed. It's the only way I can operate. This is what this channel does, right? There's a lot of social platforms that are combating against YouTube censorship. I don't see a problem. Does YouTube prefer paying members to YouTube or guest ad watchers for revenue? That's a good question. Does YouTube prefer paying members to YouTube or guest ad watchers for revenue? I don't know what it prefers, Jojo S. I mean, if you become a member on my channel, there's a commission to YouTube. They earn money from you becoming a member. Absolutely. If you give a super chat, they make a commission. If you watch, they earn a percentage of the ad revenue. So I don't know what they prefer. I guess they're all the same. I don't know what the preference would be. Changing topics about stocks. Any views on Volex might be worth a video. Makes couplers for Tesla. That's interesting. Chris, we've run out of time. I've got to go. Can you remind me about that? And I would like to make a video on that. I've got to go now, though. I'm way over time. Nice one, Nani. I agree. Thank you ever so much. Right, I've got to go, guys. I'm way over time. I want to just give a thumbs up to Niels in the live chat, in the Ask the Family. Like that video there. Yeah, Seth, I'm just giving you a thumbs up, so we've done that. Okay, day trader of the day, folks. Day trader of the day. Let's go. If you've just tuned in, tap the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. It really helps the channel. Let's bring on the funky music. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's get 50 likes. We got 48 watching, 48 likes, 100%. It's not really how it works, right? Because there were more people here earlier. 48 watching, 48 likes. Let's get to 50 likes. That'd be awesome. We'll come back to that in a second. Do we get any subscribers? 10,804. 50 likes. 48. Nearly there. Any questions on X? On my watch list, just like the Luca coin in the next best crypto. Yes. Love it. Best crypto in the world. What about space? Do you think it will go up soon? Video out today. And day trader of the day, folks. Did we get any more likes? Did we get 50? Yes, we did. Fantastic. Nice one. Thank you very much indeed. We got there in the end. Brilliant. All right. There you go. There is my opinion on Rumble this morning. Let's do day trader of the day. My portfolio is looking fine. Despite everything going down, I am coming up. My Roth IRA is doing better as well. So I'm glad we took profits. Yeah. Virgin Galactic's come back up. I'm now making money on meats. Here we go. I'm just about to turn green. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm green in the next couple of moments, but I'm down 0.2%. 0.2%. Let's put a minute on the clock. Down 0.23. Up. MSK goes into the lead. Up. Hang on. I just want to answer this question. Jojo S. People buying YouTube membership means you don't see adverts, right? But there's a balance they must need for selling adverts and paying members. No. Jojo S. No. You got that wrong. Let me explain. If you are a YouTube member and you pay a membership to be a YouTube member of my channel, you still see adverts. The only way you don't see adverts is if you buy a YouTube membership as in premium. So you're buying a membership of YouTube, not my channel. I just want to be absolutely clear. If you buy YouTube Premium, you don't see adverts, commercials, but the revenue that they make in memberships, YouTube Premium, that is, not my memberships, YouTube Premium, they will pay me a percentage. So if you watch a show and each advert roughly earns me like 1 cent, thereabouts. Each advert, each person watches is about 1 cent. So if there was a long show and there was 10 adverts, there'd be 10, I would earn 10 cents. So I would earn 10 cents out of your YouTube Premium. What you pay to YouTube as a YouTube Premium, I earn money out of that. Yes. So if you buy YouTube Premium, the creator still earns money. And of course, they still make a profit on that, right? Commission and everything else, admin charges or whatever. But yeah, I earn the same amount of money as an advert or YouTube Premium, and they make money out of the ads or they make money out of the premium. It doesn't matter. It just gives you the opportunity to basically pay what the advert would have paid them. What do they prefer? Would they prefer everyone to be members and no ads? I wouldn't know. There's no way to know that. But anyway, I think that answers the question now. So anyway, up 1.32, down 0.22, up 0.97, up down 0.09, down 48%. Ouch. Down 0.23. Yes, as in premium. Thought so. But if anyone has premium, they'd have no advertising, right? Correct. If you have premium, no advertising. I think you pay for the adverts, Jojo. Yes, if you pay premium, there are no adverts. Right, the winner is MSK, who is up 1.25. Give him the sound effects. Thank you for your honest trades. And give him a thumbs up. Love it. MSK, well done indeed. Congratulations. That's it from me. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me today. That was a very, 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 very long show. A lot of emotion there, but I hope I served you well and answered all your questions. Now then, I sold my Rumble. I'm out of it. I took a loss on it on purpose. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic going up. Missed the opportunity to buy that. That's up. Palantir up. Gold. The S&P. Amazon. Apple. NEE. Enphase. 119 on my Roth. 125. I'll have a little look and see what I'm going to do with those funds. Congratulations, MSK. Hang in there, Crag. Thanks, guys. Right. Let's get out of here. Thanks ever so much. Roll the credits. See you back this afternoon. Where's me credits? That's alert box. That's the wrong one. Hang on a minute. Oh no. New tab to the right. I hope I'm going to get my credits in. Got important credits. Here we go. Credits, credits, credits. Roll the credits. Okay, here we go. There we go. I was getting worried for a minute. Rum and space. Super chats. Jose Quintana. Zachzate, Nonny, thank you for your love and support. Massive support today, everybody. Thank you ever so much. Everybody on TikTok, thanks to all of you. Thanks everyone on Rumble that joined me. A great shame that, I couldn't be open and honest with you. Well, I was, but you didn't appreciate it. That's the only way I can be. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.